and not turning out how I wanted to do. That really sucks. It's just not my day, is it? That's okay. We'll just stay stuck in materials forever, it's fine. It's just this is what happens when I stream Cogmind, so I'll just have to get used to it. Level 2 terminal. Cobbler analysis. But I got that cobbler. Okay, so the game gave me a launcher early, so that probably means I'm not going to get storage early. So this is how it always happens. Oh, data jacks, huh? Another level 2? Here's level 1. Gotcha. I think light cannons are the bad ones, but it's damage, so... Nothing decent. Yeah, I'm really worried I'm not going to get any decent storage. Never mind. I lied. So pretty bummed out about that first run. It's always the runs where all the pieces kind of fall into place that they can tend to go shit sideways. We'll see how this run goes. I probably should just went, you know what, maybe let's not kill exiles. I did it the first time because I didn't really have a decent chance at it, but I always really like going for exiles. It just makes the rest of the early game so much easier. Okay, launcher and decent storage. I think that's enough to go to mines. Grab another weapon. And... okay, let's go. Grab mining laser. Okay, good. The game is telling me to stop tempting fate. Green bot armor. Don't really have anything to throw on. It's alright. Heatsink it is. Proton bomb traps. Don't know if I've ever seen those from a debris pile before. Always like shock traps. My cannon's not too bad for this depth, is it? Is this one shot? It does. Like everything? Yeah, 15-20? Yeah, I think that one shots everything in this depth. Not really a core counter, to be honest. I tend to not really care. Sometimes it really works out in your favor, these early depths, especially if you are going for like things like exile kills, saving a lot of integrity. Okay. Imp power shielding? Okay. Early trap extractor is super dope, actually, so we'll take that. Probably keep all those other traps in there. Just for now. I'll most likely get rid of them. This trapping on slow builds is not the easiest thing to do. Unless you're luring like I am right now. See if this works. Got him! Okay, it didn't kill the grunt, but it killed something. Let's get some matter. Maybe. Okay, that was spooky as fuck. Will I survive? 7 core. Probably not. That is armor though. And a mini grenade launcher. Where the hell did they come from? If I can figure out where they came from, I can survive this. There we go. Easy. Never punished. And I'm just gonna skip exiles because I don't care. Rather than dying again. So we'll just prep for Zion and -7, and if it doesn't happen, then we'll just try to prep for both DM and Zion, I guess. Two of them? Hello? Yeah, I like how even if I got caved in on because I was impatient and was left at 7 core, I still survived because hiding in walls is good. And I guess that demo was damaged enough that it just outright killed itself without murdering me first. So, yeah, things just kind of tend to work out that way, I guess. It's kind of my luck. Yeah, we'll repair the engine. It's a decent engine. Start cleaning up our inventory here. It's just got a bunch of junk in it. Everyone's here. A little bit closer. It's kind of crazy just how stupid good mini grenade launcher is. Things just melt at this depth using that. Actually, a machine analyzer could be pretty decent on what I'm trying to do in -7 factory. I'll take it. Alarm trap. Eh. Heavy, ooh, beam rifles and heavy impulse guns. I don't have much cooling, but I'll use them.
Yo, what's going on?
Oh, hey, I'm Ted. Welcome, welcome. You've missed a lot of nonsense, basically.
I see. Are we... is this the run number 2?
This is run number 3, actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you've missed a lot of nonsense. I had a really fucking good run going, like the very first run, and then I started alert spiraling in -7 because I was trying desperately to find a branch and just one was not... I could not get the hack off, I couldn't find one. Eventually I had to go into shoots because I was getting to high sec, and that didn't go well, so... I was like...
Second -7, hell, oh baby.
Yep, so I was like, okay, well, we gotta get this one out at least today, and then everything will be fine, and then I got greedy on Exiles. So, no more Exile killing. I have...
What did a Z-Hero murder you?
No, I got like really low core, and then I got murdered by a grunt. I almost got out. I almost got out, but that's alright. But I just gotta get all the nonsense out of the way first before we get to the cool stuff.
I know that feeling.
Yep.
Yeah, sorry I missed the earlier stuff.
It's okay. Like I said, you did not miss much.
Having one of those days, so...
Yep.
I'm ready for the weekend.
Totally getcha. This is actually my second day of my 2 days off, so... It's like, yeah, I was planning on streaming, so I'm gonna stream.
Yeah, I want to see just how viable this route actually is.
Right. I mean, like I said, everything was going perfect until that unfortunate run-in with Alert, so... I feel like the pieces were falling into place. It just... was doing...
Ended of Mike Tyson.
Yep. Basically. I would like not to use these beam rifles if I can. They're overheating all these sentries and killing all the salvage.
Seem to be getting some treads anyway. Kinda
Yeah.
nice.
Of course the game is the eternal law of materials. If you get a good launcher, you don't get good storage, so I haven't found huge quite yet. But it's okay. Oh, wow. What
I have everything.
the hell?
How's that?
Okay. What is this cannon? Assault.
Seems like, oh yeah, you need a loot
Ooh,
stash?
assault cannons? Yeah, those will just murder everything. That's fine. That is fine with me. And no exiles. I had the weirdest infestation event. I ended up doing my classic crawl into the wall and just hide there.
Nice.
Well, then I got caved in on because luck. But
Luck.
yeah, luck. Bad luck. I got.
Was it dug out weird, or I'm just confused?
So
Should be safe, right?
well, my usual plan is to dig a hole in the wall and then
Yeah.
like with melee so that it caves in behind me and then nothing can get to me.
Ah.
So what ended up happening was I got caved in on. I was left with like seven core. Yeah, 7 core.
Well, you got caved in on like the one time that you swung there.
Yeah. So
Nice.
well, I mean, not exactly. I might have gotten a little impatient. but it still was really unfortunate. However, I got left with 7 cores, hiding in the wall, and even it wasn't like fully concealed because just of all the. I think Cogmind was missing the mining laser shots. I think that's what happened. Assaults. So it was a little bit broken open, and then a fucking one of the demos like peeked in. It's like, "What's up, buddy?" I was like, "Okay, this is the end of the run, right?" No, he just failed to fire a couple times, and then the one time he did fire, it didn't hit core, and he killed himself.
Sick.
So I was like, okay, and then I just walked out. Like, well, hi guys.
Mats is getting real spicy.
Have you met my friend Double Mini Grenade Launcher?
Nice. Launcher, or the fucking hauler's getting shielded.
What a nerd. Slurp up all this matter. Blade traps, huh? I do want to try another blade trapping imprinter at some point. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to find a data jack on this level before they start sending more assaults at me. I don't think I found any on the floor, and I could find an operator maybe, but honestly, I could probably just find them in factory.
Yeah, can't you find them later?
Yeah, I'll just find them later. What is that doing in the wall there? Huh. Anyway, where's mines? There it is. I don't feel like getting blade trap dancing, so let's just go. Grab my matter.
You know, given that Mats is like the newest part of the complex, you think MC would send like pretty intense like security forces, right? Why does he send the fucking weaklings?
I don't know.
Like, yeah, I get why like the best guards are in command or whatever, but like,
Mm-hmm.
you think he'd send like a few demo squads or something down here, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's like, well, we got all of our weakest bots down here.
Right.
Maybe he just doesn't care. I don't know. Anyway, dirty bombs are cool, so I'm just gonna drop all these dumbass protons. Kind of ruin his plans here for now. Everyone's saying hello. I really wish I had huge storage by this point, but it's fine. Power shieldings for later. I guess double armor, it's fine.
Power shielding?
Mm-hmm. I need it for in-game. Saves me a fab.
Yeah, but like, shouldn't you just get it then?
I guess so, but I'd rather not have to bother.
I just mean you'll definitely find it on the ground at some point.
Yeah, I guess so. If I really need anything dire, I'll just drop it, but...
Yeah, it's like, there's no way you don't see another one of those in the course of the whole run.
Right. Treads. Hi guys, you're a little late. Oh yeah, I have an update on my tower climb progress. Got to the final boss.
You got the Zardo already?
Yep.
Wow, that was fast.
I made it to phase 3. And then got bowling balled. I got smushed in phase 2. Because I just... Apparently the hands kill a lot of newbies first time.
For sure.
Constantly.
For sure.
That's
It killed me.
That's the second Zion shortcut I've gotten this run. Or not this run, this stream. But yeah, I got to hands and then bowling ball in phase 3 and it killed me. I was very upset.
Yeah, bowling ball's pretty nuts. I mean, wait till you see the fucking cannon of doom part's fucking nuts.
Oh boy.
Yeah, because you know all about the cannons, right? So like,
no.
involved.
Oh, like the hand cannons?
Like the cannons you jump like into and like shoot.
Oh, right. Oh my god, really? Ugh.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh boy. Okay, well, I guess we'll find out.
The final boss fight is so long.
That's
And you
okay.
should see the extended one too.
Yeah,
Crazy.
I'm not
Crazy.
I'm not looking forward to it. I actually jumped into one of the extended maps last night just for fun.
Which one?
The Brutal Boiler, I think it's called.
Oh, you jumped in the boiler as your first one?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Yeah, and how'd that go?
Died pretty much immediately.
Yep. The place is fucking hell, dude.
Let's see. Advanced treads? Yeah, that's cool. Okay, I got my light ion schematic for getting off chips. I don't think I have my huge storage yet. Okay, doesn't matter. Yeah, but I really wanted to play more today, but I'm like, I promised Cogmind, so Cogmind it is today.
For sure.
There we go. Let's see.
Where's your cargo storage, huh?
Somewhere. I've contemplated using cargo storage for this run, but I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure if that makes me even more overweight than huge storage penalty-wise.
Yeah, that's a good question.
Like, I know...
Drop you are and all that.
I know golem legs are cool and all, but I'd rather not go 400 speed the entire game. I just don't care to do that.
You're talking about 2 golem legs? Yeah, it'd be a little rough.
Yeah.
Cargo storage.
And I only...
I did it one time with not using the legs.
Mm-hmm.
Treads.
I really only need huge, to be honest. This run isn't going to be as inventory strict as the other one was.
Sure.
Which is really nice. That's why I like it. Yeah, let's get the light armor repair.
So no humpbacks, is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah, exactly.
Damn.
I know, cargo could be cool, but...
I was hoping that was it right there.
Yeah. There it is, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, huge storage would be preferable here, as usual. Oh. Let's just, easy. Thank you. I think what these assault cannons are really putting in the work. Yeah, okay, whatever. I'll find more later. It's a really easy fab too. Speaking of which, I actually need to get a schematic this floor. Take care of him. No? Okay.
Like, doesn't Xerox do experimental power shielding too?
He can, but it's all advanced. Let's go. It is completely random, so I'm not too keen on that. I don't really need signal interpreter or sensor array for this run. I used it last run and it was fine, but I feel like this one I can just go pure combat and it'd be fine. Just need to find like a targeting computer or something.
Yep, that'd be nice.
Let's see, so schematic, yep, power. Cool. Gotta let them do their thing here. Funneled them through a kill hallway.
They really didn't do a great job.
No, they did not. Temporary distraction at most. Overheating, eh? Turn off the engine.
Yeah, that's the only problem with the assaults. They're a little hot.
Shoot one for now. High cap. Place one high cap just in case. And data jack if I find blade traps later. Let's go around first. Okay. I guess the operator's not too bad. Let's let him see me if he does. Of course, that's probably his terminal, like right there. Yep, okay. Data jack.
Yeah, there's your data jack for all those bombs you want to get, right?
Yeah. Well, the blade traps, if I find them. If not, I'll just...
Hey, Ouija.
Hey, Luigi.
What's up, gamers?
Welcome back. Hey, nice.
I got great news though.
Oh, yeah?
My team had some GPU hardware from
Mhm.
long ago,
Mm-hmm.
and we just found it.
Okay.
It was hidden in a data center of ours, and
Nice.
it's like 8 frickin' enterprise GPUs. I'm so
Can't run
hyped.
Crisis?
Yeah, I don't think it can run Crisis. Yeah, these are compute GPUs, but yeah, it's super hype.
Oh, so Doom then.
Yeah, it can run Doom.
Sick.
Probably like
Fucking anything.
500,000 copies of Doom at once.
It's pretty good. Good benchmark. So you're gonna make your own chat GPT, right?
Yeah, we're gonna host local large language models for the whole company,
Cool.
and we might even develop one of our own. We'll see.
Sounds sweet.
Yeah, I would really like some targeting.
Actually hitting him.
There we go.
He's just not dying.
He's just immortal, like usual. Suck up some matter here. Hey, there's the blade traps. Sick. Okay. Let's funnel back in here. Got him. And we'll grab all that matter when we come back through. Cooling. Targeting computer. That's cool. Tempted to drop these. I like grabbing these early because there's so many times when I'm in factory and I just cannot fucking find any EM cannons to kill golems with on -7.
I'd definitely keep those. Those are good.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep them. I could maybe swap out one of these cannons, but let's see here. Machine analyzer, I went for -7 to find fabs. Tractor beam good. I'm gonna use this in a minute.
You don't really need backup engines when you're
Yeah.
not running any power, you know?
Yeah. And Zerp. Okay. So this goes here. I would rather have done like trap reprogram, but this works fine. Let me actually see if I can get it here. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Nice, now I can just go pick them up. Oh, this is perfect, it's all 6. Oh, this is... I didn't mean to do that. Not bad.
Oh yeah.
Alright, perfect. Now we just get rid of this data jack because it's useless now. Alright, this is awesome. That's going to make for a really simple imprinter kill. EM pulses. Much better. Don't know what these are. Those are probably advanced beam cannons, which are advanced beam trash. Medium armor is really nice. Sure. Just because I don't feel like going into factory with a bunch of alert. It should be okay though, the should dissipate mostly by the time I get there. Let's do... let's actually do index terminals. No? Okay. Ion cannon. Good. Normally I would tunnel these, but I'm getting DM anyway, or a DC, so it doesn't even matter. Oh, targeting, thank you. Okay, this build's looking sick. Okay. Fuck yeah. Let's back up. Okay, we're just gonna slurp this matter then. Walk the other way. I do not feel like dealing with a heavy. Really? Did you see that? See that cannon gunslinging there? Who needs a servo lattice when you can just do that?
Literally useless item, you know.
Can't believe it.
Just miss into your enemies.
Oh, huge storage, thank you. Yes, okay, we in there. What are these? Okay, yeah, they're advanced bad cannons. Cool, alright. Pretty much got everything what I wanted from here, so... Oh my god, that alert. Okay, purge a little bit of it before I leave. Wow, the hauler was carrying nothing but trash. Salvage targeting? Great Maul versus Flail. Flail does more. Alright, let's leave. I think we got everything we wanted here.
Oh, we got the huge storage.
Yep.
Nice.
We are pretty much set now, I think. Alright, let's see. Since I don't know if Golem is this floor, or Zion, I mean, I'll probably just go ahead and go 2 power just in case, because I want to be able to support focals when I can.
Makes sense to me.
Yeah, and we're okay on stuff. It's not the best, but it'll work. Hey, pop on that machine analyzer.
I wish remote data jacks would work on traps too.
Yeah. Just aim at them like a TV remote.
Yeah. Or like, you know, why do you have to use it in remote mode? Right?
Yeah, unless it... I don't know, doesn't it like shoot like a... I don't know how it actually was supposed to work, because is it like an actual like beam of data? Or does it just...
No, it's like a hook. You like literally like shoot like a hook into them.
Huh.
And then like transmit data that way somehow. I don't know.
Aw, damn, I was really hoping for a decent off chip here, but device could be used for weapon mount later. So, that's okay, I guess.
Hoping for off chips.
Look,
What have we come to?
the memes need to be cannot be dreams anymore. Okay, I'm not making this mistake again. Damn it. Shield gen's pretty nice. Just another engine. Okay.
Gonna call a squad on yourself and then just hang out right next to it?
Yeah, obviously. What are they gonna do, kill me?
Well,
It's what we call the Chad plays.
depends on the squad, I guess.
They're like what, -7 factory? See if we can at least dodge them here. Coolant injector. Now I'll use that over a heatsink.
I kind of realized that like early injectors are just so busted, you can just use them for like forever.
Yeah, they really are. Let's see, we haven't found any fabs yet. Calibrator. Switch back to my assault cannon. My matter like. I'm starting to warm up to KI cannons that are like decent.
Oh?
Yeah, oh my god, yes. Like I did an entire run once where I was using nothing but KI cannons, and it actually was really effective if I like actually prep for them, like having ways to get extra matter targeting so they die, and actually using decent ones. Mini drone, basically.
Yeah. I think
Damn.
I think the ones with high blast.
Okay. Alright, well, you know that's a main exit.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the ones with high blast are particularly strong.
They are insanely strong. I was one-shotting most of the bots in the complex if I was using decent ones.
What I like about it is it also like it can like do like corruption damage sometimes with like the knockback and shit.
Mm-hmm.
So you have blast, you have corruption, you have high damage. All those things are pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so we know this is main exit, but let's go ahead and interpret it. So now we don't need this anymore. Armor Integrity Analyzer, it's probably useless, but I'll grab it just for filling inventory. You can
Use your targeting.
You can dig. I already have targeting on. Double shield chins. That's cool.
Kind of just been another one, but
I guess.
it does work with the whole cannon thing.
It does. Ooh.
Get it. Damn.
Damn. Come on. I really don't want this to be a repeat of last run, or the first run, where I just cannot find branch exits.
I mean, calling all these squads probably not gonna help, to be honest.
Well, I mean,
Like the whole enemy density problem, the classic problem. The more squads you get, the less you can actually explore. You know, it's kind of the downside.
okay.
Slurp. Wait. Hold on,
Eh.
it's my turn.
Wow. Oh god. No. Why? I hate it so much. You're kidding me! Oh my,
boy.
oh my god.
With like no matter. Oh boy.
Oh boy. Safe? No, of course not. Okay. Hmm.
This shoot was so bad it fucked up the inventory.
No kidding.
Fixed itself.
Oh. That's okay. Forgot I was treads there for a minute. I keep forgetting I'm treads. Jesus Christ.
They're a little slow.
Yeah,
They're
wait.
pretty fast.
A little bit better.
Not sure this wins.
Hmm?
We run out of matter before one even dies, right?
Yeah. This is probably... Fuck's sake, dude. I'm getting so sick of this shit. I did not...
I mean...
I did not want these streams to be just nothing but mulligan runs because I can't... I keep getting, like, unfortunate luck.
You can still take it out, but it's definitely an alt... Like a core hover out of here kind of situation.
Yeah.
You're not dead, just take your storage with you, you know? That's really all that matters.
It's gonna be so hard to get all the shit I need for Zion, though. Man. Alright. Where's my hover, or my storage?
Maybe take a launcher if we can find one. Yeah. You can actually put that on, it's only one mass. The mini, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's actually really good armor.
And then...
Not bad grav mag.
Yeah, not the most useful thing this run.
I don't know, you could literally convert to it, right?
God, okay.
Have a backup laser.
Thank you. Thank you for all this garbage. I'm sure they are...
Don't kill these guys.
Like, I'm sure they've already, like, crushed all of my shit, though.
Oh yeah, he's gone. But, you know, maybe we get some, crusher stuff. You still got your storage.
Whoa.
No, hey,
Oh,
Snecko.
what's up, Snap?
Hey, what's going on? It's MTF and Runa. Some of my favorite streamers.
Runa?
Of course, we can't leave Vectis out. Of course.
I think-
I did say she was my favorite. I gotta be consistent, you know.
Like, if you're gonna not call me by my proper name, call me Roomba instead.
You said your name's Runia, right?
Okay, you said Ruina first. I was like, okay, it's not the first time that's happened.
Oh, whoa, absolutely not.
Did,
Nah, never.
did these guys kill? There we go.
Yeah, they
Come on.
do. The things are weak to explosives.
I know, but it was getting a little spooky there. They were like killing themselves.
Still getting pretty spooky, to be honest.
Man, today went from like a 5 to a 10.
Yeah, let's see if my shit's still here. Oh my
Not
god.
gonna lie, you know, I got some pizza, I got some red wine. It's a good end of the day.
There you go.
Hell yeah.
Heck yeah, I'm living it up. Super hardcore.
Get these backup nonsense out of my inventory.
Mushroom pizza too,
Sounds
Heck
like a
yeah.
good day.
for sure.
Oop, let's not make that mistake again. Okay. Some of my
Look at all this integrity they gave us.
some
Incredible.
of my stuff survived at least.
This is backup plating.
Christ. What'd I lose? I lost... What's this? Okay, I forgot about my deuterium. Huh. Look at this amazing... This is GJ armor right here.
Oh yeah. We show the coverage right now. I'm just curious. With no other armor on, what does it look like? It's like not terrible, right? Like if you have no armor.
It's something.
It's still there.
Still. All right. Well, this might work? Question mark. At least I didn't lose my
Oh, hey, Kamika.
storage. Hey, Amika. 4 cannons. Oh, these are fucking awesome, actually. Look,
Oh, that's how I describe them.
bro. Like, I can't hit shit, but I love 60% destroy. If I hit something, it dies. So
That's probably true.
heavy siege treads.
And they fixed them? Yo,
Thank you.
that's pretty good.
Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to get really lucky in this next factory to find everything I need.
What do you need exactly? What are you trying to do?
So I need probably more than one EM pulse cannon. I need launchers are okay. I still need to grab all of my off chips because I don't want to fucking do off chip shenanigans post DC if I can help it. Do I need any schematics? Weapon mount I could get next floor, but that's a level 2. I don't have enough hacking for that, so I can get it in -6. Probably most of the schematic hacking is going to be post, probably post CDC, because I can take all the hackware from there and get it to get schematics.
Okay.
So that'll work. Okay.
If you're talking about EM cannons for golems, you really only need one, so you're pretty much already set there.
Hope so. Okay. I'm not having this. Get out of here. No, I'm not putting with your guys' bullshit today.
Boys.
Get out of here. Score is irrelevant. Alert is forever. I guess I can keep these guys. Well, I really don't want to.
Keep the mechanics at least.
Yeah, let's keep the mechanics. I'm gonna bonk the bonk boy just to assert my dominance over him. Warlord forever. Oh my god! Sir, the squad that was invading chutes has been taken out. What happened to them? I don't know, some weird robot went up and just smacked them all with a hammer. I don't know what happened.
I like you, Cogmind.
I like you, Cogmind. You're brutal. You're efficient. You know what's important. Alright, see. This fucking guy? Dead.
Yeah.
Crit destroy, baby. Let's go. Now I just need a billion more targeting. Start replacing my my backup plating. This is backup plating gaming today. God, really?
Good for you.
Goodbye. What's this here?
Hey, Amika posted a comic for you.
Cogmind time. Snap. Who made these, by the way? Was this like one
That's Plastic Heart.
plastic card? Okay.
They make some of the best comics for this.
Guns, guns, guns. I love me some guns.
It's funny because they're like, you know, they're Japanese, right? So like, all of their comics, they don't have any language in them. They seem to transcend that for the most part.
Okay, so we can force recompile. That is the strat now. There's one. I only need 3, which is why I really like the strat. Hi guys, what's up? You are getting mini grenade launched, I think. Yeah. Oop. Okay. That's fine.
Oh man, this luxurious red wine has overtones of grape. Oh,
What are
oh,
you drinking?
some of the most absolutely regal stuff you could ever imagine. Dollar store wine.
Okay.
Like, this is luxurious. You know, this belongs in a palace.
Your palace.
Yeah, of course, my palate.
Some people say the cheaper something is, I don't know where that went, but I've never drank in dollar store wine before, so I'm not really much of a wine person. Prototype launchers?
So, I can confirm firsthand. I've had some of the most expensive stuff you could ever imagine, right? Price does not matter. I'll prove it to you. It's all placebo effect. There was an MIT study done
Okay.
on wine experts, and they were told that the cheap wine was the expensive stuff. And the expensive wine was the cheap stuff, right?
Right.
They couldn't, none of the experts could tell. So,
Let me let you in on a secret of wine.
oh yeah, yeah.
So there's two kinds of wine. There's bad wine, and then there's the wine that you'll drink. Now, in addition to that, all wines contain within them, I think they're called tannins. I don't remember. There's some component within them that you need to denature and get out of the wine through the process of aeration. And that will clean up the taste of a lot of wines and make them taste better.
Isn't it? Isn't that what
Yeah, that's it. The oxidants. Yeah, the tannins are just what give red wine color. But yeah, so the oxidants, it's pretty easy. You either get a carafe and you pour it in the carafe and let it sit for like 15 minutes, or you get an aerator, which is like a cheap little $5 thing that you pour the wine over. And it can make a significant difference. So I highly recommend it.
Yeah, the only thing I want to say is there's a significant difference between fucking box wine and like a bottle of Barefoot from the grocery store.
Oh, for sure, absolutely. Absolutely,
You know?
there's no question about it.
So like, does a $1,000 bottle of wine taste better than a $100 bottle of wine? No, probably not. Does a $100 bottle of wine taste better than like a $5 bottle of wine? Probably.
Actually not. Actually
Probably.
not. You
I
would
mean-
be surprised.
It's more of a crapshoot, honestly. Depends
So
on the
this
quality
whole-
of the
this whole joke
producer,
about,
and it's
you
not
know,
related to the price.
Me having an amazing $5 wine experience, you know. There's
I
actually
got a wine
actually
sort of
research
mad.
behind it, right?
Yes.
That's sick.
Oh, there's two of them?
I'm gonna go.
Where the hell did you find those?
It's on the ground. You said you're
Spawn on the ground?
heading out, Luigi? Sorry, I didn't hear him very well. Okay.
I neither.
And I do want an actual long-range explosive weapon, just because. Let's go hit this fab down here. First, they're all like fucking level 2s and shit. That doesn't matter, because I got it anyway. Sick.
So something else that may interest you. The placebo effect actually works, even if you know it's working. So
Yep, it's true.
Okay.
honestly, I'm just trying to like, you know, use some mantras to convince myself that it's you know, to convince myself that it's something that, you know, maybe it is.
This is about to explode.
Let it explode. Exit's right there.
All I'm saying is life is sometimes all about
Oh yeah. And don't get me wrong, I've had some great, like, you know, $5-10 bottle of wines. But had some really bad ones too.
Okay, so we're not in the best position if this ends up being DM. But if this is Zion, this would be amazing.
Is that
I think
moldy?
that's moldy, yeah, I don't want to fuck with that. Snecko, have you found the nook yet? For the bounty that I put up?
I have not, unfortunately.
Okay. I don't think many people actually end up checking those pins, so might get lost to time. I'll keep reminding everyone.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna.
Bounties, fucking years later, so.
Yeah.
I'm probably just gonna. So, like, apparently there was an MTF model at one point.
What the
model?
fuck?
Yeah, there was an MTF, like 3D print.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I have.
Oh,
Or I have 2 actually.
oh.
It's
Yeah,
just
I didn't see it on the website, huh?
well, I mean,
I did look for it.
I mean, it's just literally a pink programmer. That's all it
It's
is.
nothing special.
It's just a prog. I think I've only done one like actual custom bot before for somebody, not including Luigi's print, like an actual like bot idea someone had. I think it was Salamander actually. He came up with like a crawler, kind of like spider looking bot. So it's kind of like a swarmer, but they're like land based and they have legs. And it's actually on the commission sheet.
That's pretty cool.
So
I do know one of my 01 MTFs has something that looks like a shock puncher, so I'm happy to pretend that it is.
okay, that is true. I did make the custom version that has the shock puncher on it. So
Yeah, okay, that's what I thought.
I
Yeah.
got a freaking like jumping boar bot.
Oh my-
Wearing a hat,
E-
shovel, and an axe, and like, it was
fucking
fucking
cool, dude.
crazy.
Yeah.
Mushroom.
do you have the picture?
That shit.
Do you have the picture for that? If not,
Yeah, I'll go to my shrine and get a pic. 1 sec.
Your shrine? Sorry?
yeah,
Yeah,
shrine.
I have a shrine, a little Shinto shrine. Although I'm a Taoist, so whatever.
True. I think that the boar bot's there.
Yeah, I put the
Swear
boar bot
blogs.
there. I got some anime figurines, and
Why am I not surprised?
I put the little
Oh.
Cogmind 3D print inside the little temple bit as an offering.
For a second, I forgot what it was like to be drunk, and now I am drunk.
Congratulations.
You 1 glass of wine?
I mean, to be fair, this is a very large glass. You know, I'm not a lightweight.
Uh-huh.
I think I've only been like actually drunk once. I don't enjoy drinking personally. Ooh, that's
Yes, these wonderful endorphins.
Little booze buzz is fantastic. Being wasted, not so much.
For sure. Everything in moderation.
remember kids don't drink in cog. What the? Oh, okay. Another scrap yard. Okay, take it. Heavy missile launcher. Good replacement.
So yeah, absolutely. I will say for sure. I'm certainly into potentially one day having a MTF model for sure, because we gotta have an absolute shrine to the king, the legend himself, MTF for
But
sure.
what? Bro,
I'm gonna have
just a
I'm gonna
normal
have
dude just like you.
yeah. I don't believe it. You're
Yeah,
you're
there
a
it
living
is.
legend. Your ability to win Cogmind is just unmatched, and so
He
You
said
should be
down
awarded the
with a
title.
losing streak. Is that your heavy armor or is it a different heavy armor?
That's
a different heavy armor.
Yeah, it's sitting on the ground here. I
I'm sure if you really put your mind to it, right?
think I want that.
There's really not even a run that you could possibly lose.
I don't know.
I'm certain of it.
He
I'm
did.
certain of it.
He did nuke himself not too long ago, so.
Yeah, but like that was just him proving his absolute prowess over the game.
All right.
That's all it is.
Can we like?
I'll let you in.
Yeah, can we like stop like filleting his ego, please?
I'll just let you in on a little secret. I'm actually putting off the second Starry run because I'm still
Aw.
unsure exactly of how to pull it off. So that's why I haven't
Kill that
jumped
guy.
into
Kill
it
that
right
guy.
away.
Still shreds.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So at the moment, Leia
Who's that guy? What?
is definitely mastering some parts of the game. You know,
Does he have a gun or something?
Shred.
he has
Oh.
the your friend tag.
I guess I could just pulse him down. Who cares about corruption? Really? Okay.
Cycler.
Yeah, I'll grab it.
Ouch. No salvage.
I mean, apparently, I don't know what.
They're beat up. You gotta remember.
Yeah, maybe he ran into
They
like
don't
a
always get their shit.
maybe he ran into a squad or something too.
Could be. Yep.
The absolute chat, he won, but. Okay, white bots.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with picking up an ego weapon. I personally, if the
Ego
game
weapon?
offers it to you, and yeah, that's what they're called, right?
Yeah, I guess they are. That's funny. What are the ego weapons of Cogmind?
Ego
would
weapons?
argue-
Is this like
yeah.
a fucking
Mostly just shell cannon.
is this like a Project Moon like crossover now?
Well, I mean, okay, so like Angband has ego weapons, but it also has artifacts.
Yes. Okay.
Sweet. So like, I would argue that like EMDS is an ego weapon. It's like the play grunt ego weapon, you know.
Are you familiar with any of Project Moon stuff, MTF?
I don't know what that is.
Okay, it's I think it's a Korean company that makes a line of games in a universe that involves like module that involves like kind of like SCP shit that's made from like the minds of humans, and then they like farm the energy off of them
Okay.
for power. And
Those are batteries. It's the Matrix. Got it.
I can't remember what the exact mechanics of it are because I don't. My wife's more into them, and some of my friends are. But like, you can use the power of these beings to create weapons called ego, and it's like armor and weapons that are made from the actual being in question, and they're like insanely powerful in that universe. So,
literally stands, right?
tactical coordination suites. I guess you could say they're like stands. I know. And then there's like a thing where like if you let your emotions take you over, you can actually end up transforming into a completely new beast, based on like what emotions you're feeling and like past experience and stuff. Like I know one dude turned into like a scarecrow with like a sword and shit.
What emotion is that?
It was just I think I can't remember exactly what the oh hi 8. It was like he was a scientist working on a farm to genetically modify like livestock, I think, and I think he had to end up killing all of the cows like he actually got really attached to, and it like really fucked him up.
Gotcha.
Yeah, and also this is like the I guess like the I'm trying to think and talk at the same time. It's not working. It's not working very well. The background of this game is like post-apocalyptic, taking place in like a giant megacity that's just like nothing is good. Everything's fucked up. It's been taken over by corporations that basically run everything, and you have to work for these corporations to get like protection. Otherwise, you get banished to like the outskirts of the city where like you get like fucking beaten and mugged and shit.
Great.
So it's all hell all the time. Nothing's happy.
Sounds like
It's like a typical Warhammer 40k run.
I don't know. It's
well,
there's less nonsense than Warhammer 40k in it, but I don't know. I don't.
There's no like space witches or weird ass shit like that.
It's a little bit more grounded. I mean, there are humans with like superpowers, but it's kind of outside of my like knowledge of the universe in question. Like I said, I only like. Was this literally the worst Ion in existence?
You got nothing.
I got Gal module and I got Warlord stash.
There's one more corner there. Maybe that's something.
Well, I did get A8 too, so that's cool.
I love how you literally clip a couple tiles to get in.
Wow.
like you don't even care about the authorization structure, right?
Yeah, it's just like whatever.
Hilarious.
I like when they
What is that then?
I like when they disappear just completely into the machine. It's like the fucking Homer Simpson disappearing into the bush.
So, like, if you weren't forcing memes here, what would the Zion say to you? Would it say imprint or ZDC?
It's never imprint.
Hmm,
No, but I don't know.
bad.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I mean, I'm
honestly
going.
of the opinion.
I'm
never
going.
imprint, right?
I'm going slow print, or like I'd be going slow print. I'd have to like put up with that nonsense. I have everything I need to beat ZDC.
Sure.
No
I
shadow.
mean, theoretically, you don't have to stay the prop you're on after you imprint, right?
Yeah, that's true, but I'm not putting up with that. Alright, boys.
So what if you get Metafield?
I'm not using it.
Really?
This is not that run. I'm doing DLC memes, so
Yeah, this is a golem run.
this is a golem run. Golem is pretty much necessary for this. Well, not really necessary, but it's so much easier. What the fucking shit is this layout?
You say Shreds is Golem?
Yeah, heavy siege treads plus plus
You
golem
were gonna
legs.
try to use traps, right?
Yeah, what the fuck is this layout? I guess this is okay. This one tile hallway. This actually is pretty sick. Because shortest path says they take this hole every single time.
Yeah, okay, but it's only 3 tiles.
That's fine. I can put them other places. Like here is probably the best here too. That'll work.
Okay.
I fucked this up enough. I think I know what I'm doing now.
Oh, I believe you. I don't know at all, so.
Right. So if I do this correctly, pretty much Imprinter will walk up with like nothing on her body.
Wait, what? You can store multiple traps in the trap extractor?
Mm-hmm.
That's like the whole point of it.
Yep. Yeah, ever since Trap Extractor got its massive buff, it can just store traps now. It's super good.
Whoa. So does it
Are
like
somewhat
still give you the somebody's being naughty message and stuff? In like Warlord?
What? It only happens in Exiles. You can still trap
Oh.
like after you aggro them though. It's fine. I use Blade. If I
Wait,
can.
so like what if you trap before? Does it get reprogrammed or something?
No, they just get pissy if you place more than one.
Oh, interesting.
Which I don't know why Kiz made that change. It's not like it matters, but
I think it kind of does. Yeah, it teaches the player their consequences to trying to be.
Didn't he add that for Zerov?
do you literally skip everything? Oh, nope, they got him. Yep, one gun, one hover unit, 3 devices, which I think that's the... What is that? Probably experimental cooling, or heatsink?
Yeah.
Deep storage, 1 protection. Okay, so I might have low
4%.
rolled a little bit, but that's alright. Die. They're also starting out at 70 core. Goodbye.
Yeah, that was pretty quick. Wow.
Come on, guys.
Well, I still got a biocell. That's great.
Alright, let's see what we got here. So I hit all 3 there. Nice. Row type storage. Pretty sick. I actually really want that. If I could not lose that, that'd be cool. Oh, food's ready? Okay. Might take a food break here in a minute. See if we got it. Heatsink. Reaction control system. Phase
Oh
shifter.
man, I feel so good right now. Oh.
Okay, so I didn't get the metafill, but that's fine. That's still pretty...
Like everything else.
Yep. Not super consistent for getting metafilled, but I mean, it nerfs the fucking shit out of her, so... It's a fun strat, and you could end up getting metafilled, so...
Right.
Alright, so these boys, I really need them to die, so I'm gonna... try not to get them to aggro the... operators down here. I really don't want them to. I really want that aggro. Hello? Okay.
He blew up his engine, so...
Oh, that's right. It's gonna take a bit.
I'm gonna have to admit, I wish it was high rate. It's all this day is missing. Am I wrong? I mean...
No, it's a great day for it.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone and their dog wants to freaking test for THC these days, you know, it's... even though it's legal. It's real unfortunate.
I mean, some places do have to test for it, like, especially if you're running machinery.
Luckily, my boss is cool.
Don't you work in, like, software engineering?
I do.
Okay. I don't think you're running...
Yeah, I work in industrial software stuff. So like, if I don't show up like sober and not intoxicated, then I could probably do something very horrible that I for sure definitely do not want to do. So
We have 2 kegs in our office.
It's very reasonable. Oh gosh.
Yeah, we
that's
have like 7 kegs, 8 kegs. They're on
Jeez,
different
dude.
floors.
Just fucking,
So, it's like
just
4
give me
per
different kegs.
floor. And then we also have a bar built into the first floor, but you have to pay for that bar.
that.
But often you don't have to pay for that bar because an executive will be there and the executive will pay for the bar. So it really depends what day you go. Thursdays and Fridays are usually covered. So, yeah.
Pretty
Half
cool.
my coworkers have like their own bottle of specialty whiskey.
Alcohol is
We
literally
share.
worse than THC, though. That's the what really gets me, right? Is that
Sure.
it's literally worse when you consider it from a purely intrinsic
I mean,
standpoint.
I think it's the interaction of both is quite interesting from a scientific perspective. What happens
Yeah.
is the crimson red duck.
Oh
within
my
your heart-
god.
Get out of here, Luigi.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm losing my way, man.
He's definitely wussing his way.
Anything in here? A survey bot? That's fine. Okay, I really don't want
Some
this.
interesting loot so far.
I really don't want this idiot to start killing gold and then pop a bubble. So, sorry, bye.
Oh yeah, did you get any weapon casings?
I might have. I'm gonna check.
Because if you only have one, that's
Why
what
do you
makes
talk
the
your
one EM
boys?
cannon worth
Because
it.
he's a fucking liability.
Yeah, but he's your boy. He's just hanging out. and
Fuck
being a
him.
boy,
He's
you
gonna
know?
screw me. He won't be my boy for
Wolf
long.
is my boy.
Yeah, weapon casing. It's 2 of them.
He's gonna take away from
Yeah.
alert for you, right? And that's what we want. If the enemy kills him, so we just get him to
What?
almost death,
I
right?
don't care about alert though. He's gonna die whenever I go kill the wall. He's gonna keep following me.
Oh,
Fucking ZDC alert.
Okay, that's not weapon casing.
yeah, I'm sure we don't really care about that.
Okay. 2 weapon casings is fine. That'll be plenty.
That should be enough, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Might make the wall a little weird, but you have a bunch of launchers, right?
I have I have a bunch of launchers. I have a bunch of armor. I have plenty of integrity. I'm fine.
Yeah, you're good on everything but EM, so yeah,
Right.
cool.
Okay, carapace. Yeah, this should be pretty easy. I'm a
You
little
even have 2. Okay.
I'm a little worried about
Yeah.
prop, but it should be fine.
You're gonna get the legs. You're good.
Yeah.
That shit'll last.
And then I do need to
There are some legs in the vault, I guess. You could take them,
right.
just in case.
Let me drop my off chips real quick. This is gonna be like my stash of things I don't need right now. Yeah, after I do wall, I'm gonna go eat, take a break, and then we'll get back to it.
Okay.
So like, should you ever not like do the marijuanas and also the alcohols at the same time?
I don't know if this is a topic appropriate for stream.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm recording right now.
This is gonna make a great pod.
I'm not keeping all the dialogue in. Most of this is just gonna be for
you should though. Why not? It's amusing.
yeah, but it's not really appropriate for a Cogmind video. Ooh, instant
Oh,
heavy
I
carapace.
apologize. I guess I've contaminated it. Oof.
I mean, it's fine. Like I said, most of this is just gonna be cut out.
Got him.
Got him. All right, so let's go ahead and golem unit
Is
up.
that a full carapace that he one-shot?
Yeah, it happens.
Damn.
They don't
And they can do. Well, how much damage is it?
a lot.
200 damage.
A bigly amount.
And yeah, they have. Your carapace only has 200, so.
Mm-hmm.
strong.
Fogos are 60, right?
Let's see.
Yep, there's 3 of
ends.
them.
I still
Yeah.
need. Okay, this is bad because I don't want to make a golem engine yet because I don't have no space for biocell. Or do I? No, I don't. So I want to keep this because I need storage first. So I think this is all I really want to make is these legs, just so prop is not an issue.
Makes sense.
So we'll rip that off. We're just gonna get more anyway. So yeah, no, Snecko, don't worry about it. Just it's not really something I'm here to discuss.
Yo, wait a minute.
What is
that a
this?
yellow cannon?
Is yellow 1 slot or 2 slots?
Yellow's 2-slot, isn't it?
Pretty
So that's guided plasma?
guided plasma? That's okay, I guess.
Oh, apparently it has very adverse medical effects. Huh.
Yeah, I wouldn't think smoking and drinking at the same time would be safe.
I mean, it's fine. You
Well,
just get
It is,
spins.
you gotta be
I mean, like,
wary
if you
of the
do it
smoke.
and you take an energy drink, right? You should never combine the two, ever. Absolutely never.
Oh, what are you talking about? I love fucking
You
killing
should
one.
never energy drink and alcohol, ever.
Right, where...
Ever.
Oh,
It's
loco, baby.
terrible for your health. There's some people who
Alright,
literally put
Luigi
it in an
fighting.
energy drink.
Oh, we lost our cooling?
Uh-oh. Oh, shit.
That's fine.
Oh, wait, we don't
That
have a
should be
golem
fine.
around. Okay, good.
Yeah, we're good.
Did you drop it? Oh.
No, I don't need it.
The
Okay.
Exile's item was an energy weapon?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think
Okay.
it's guided plasma, which is really good, to be honest.
I mean, it could also be YOLO cannon, right? Which is...
That's 2 slots, right? Isn't it?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, I guess there's also what the fuck is that thing called? LES?
Oh yeah, LES. Yeah, we'll find out. Okay, don't need a trap extractor anymore. Let's go back and grab... Actually, is that all the armor in here? Oh, hard heavy armor plating. Go back and grab that. Because I really only need integrity and matter at this point. I got plenty of energy. Don't need that really. And then once we get golem focals, I mean, that's going to be my primary way of killing. And I guess I can kill the operators with miniguns, just to kind of save the salvage. Or focals. Focals are salvage neutral, right?
They are.
Okay.
They can overheat things, but
Hmm.
they also one-shot in the core, so they have a higher chance of giving you loot if they don't overheat things.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see.
I don't know.
Okay. I think we're good. I'll put some more armor on. Matter filter will make this a little bit easier. Alright. Oh well. I did Twitch versus Discord streams related exactly. I'm mostly doing one for people that don't want to get on VC call, and the other was for people that do want to get on VC call. They're being recorded exactly the same way. It's just more options. I like giving people options. Also, Kiz really appreciates when people stream on Twitch because it's technically more exposure. Like, people aren't going to see anything on VC, but they might run across the Twitch stream. You know, that, and I have
That's true.
I have an extra VOD available, so.
Discord integrations for Dumbmind, huh, Luigi? Sounds interesting.
Yeah, I mean, we have all the info to sort of fake it. I was thinking it's based on percentage of integrity left on your build. Tells you whether you're in a good state or greed, whatever, right? And then I can figure out what level the player's on, as well as probably like what prop type they're running. Maybe show the prop type as an icon.
So what do you get? You just gonna have it as like a status thing?
Yeah, you know, like the Discord status, you know, rich integration.
Yeah, that seems pretty cool. I like it.
Easy.
That was great, dude. Did we get MAU?
We did, yeah. Time to double meme. No.
Hell yeah, dude.
Okay, let's see. What's
What
our...
if I told you the best way to ensure that L Cannon survives is to have an army?
Army of popcorn? I don't know about that. I can't CRM. Remember, I can't CRM, so
Ah, yeah.
GC.
Yeah.
So guided plasma though, pretty
Army of angry popcorn.
pretty sick.
Yeah, that thing's sweet.
Okay,
I wonder if it's at full, like, shot count. Because it's not at full integrity, but, like, can you still shoot it 100 times or whatever?
I don't know. It's be interesting to find out. Okay, so let's see. What are we killing golems with? I guess just a hammer. I guess that's okay. Not the best, but...
How's it going?
Oh, hey, Crackle. What's up? Oh, you just got work. Okay, I was like, you don't sound too great, so I didn't know if you were.
Well, that's not because of work. That's
No.
because I think at this point, I think I'm probably a bit sick.
Well, you sound like it.
It's
Sucks.
seeming like my expectation of, oh, it's been allergies this weekend is like, no, actually, it might have been a sinus infection, is my guess.
Yikes.
That blows.
No fever, though, at least. But, yeah, right now, I'm completely, like, I took some stuff that cleared out my, like, nasal passages pretty well, but it feels a little like I'm trying to breathe through cheese or something right now. If that sensation makes any sense.
I think I've heard it described like that before, but I get what you mean.
I'm not sure it does, but I feel like that'd be hard. So I guess the point gets across regardless.
I have an unrelated question.
Mhm.
What do I call this new thing? Stat mind? Discord mind? Disco mind?
Disco mind?
Disco mind?
Let's
What
name
are
it Disco Mind. Yeah, absolutely.
What are you trying to?
So I can use the AI stuff like Dump Mind to make Discord integration. Like rich presence.
Hmm.
Dump mine for Discord, the double D.
Yeah.
Dump Mind for Discord. Sure, why not? That's what it's called now. Thank you.
Cog
Like,
cog dumpies.
Oh my god, dude.
Okay, tractor beam, I'll keep just in case because I am having matter problems. This hard heavy plating, pretty low in integrity. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it. Mostly because I need space, like badly. Okay, so I'm gonna take a quick break. I need to eat some foods. I'm very hungry. And then we will continue. This one's shaping up actually. I'm really excited. So we'll see
so
what
is
this.
this a DLC run attempt?
Yep.
Or
Yep.
Okay.
We're doing big head shenanigans. So, all right. So everyone on Twitch, I'll be right back. I can actually put up the BRB screen that I desperately need to update at some point. Yeah. Okay. I'll be right back. I'll probably be on call too, just while I'm eating, so we can shoot the shit a little bit.
Yeah.
So, be right back.
Maybe I can stream the dev that I'm doing. In the
Oh
meantime.
yeah.
We need to see the dev. Let's go.
Let's see. I need to unfull screen it. Then I can share it. Then I can full screen it.
Heck
Which
yeah.
About for dough, especially since my voice is kind of not great.
This should have resized itself. I hope you feel better, Crackle. Why didn't it resize? What the fuck? There we go. Okay, does that look right? That should look right. Okay, so dump mine for Discord. So how does dump mine work? So actually, first, what we want to do is we want to get Discord RPC running, right? So Discord RPC.
What's RPC
dot
again?
net. Rich presence. Something. Rich presence client. They just call it RPC, but that's the name of the library that Discord uses for all the rich presence stuff.
What is rich presence? I guess. What is that?
Oh, that's when you click on like a Discord thingy, and it's like the game says like like in my view it'll be something like it'll say Cogmind, currently in -8 mines, status good.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Got it.
Current propulsion flight, and it'll have
So
a little icon of flight.
Is it literally only for the status shit? The rich presence API or
Yes.
whatever this is? Okay. Got it.
Yes. And I know that's a feature that people have really wanted. So maybe we can get it today. So it looks like there's a package called Discord Rich Presence, which provides an implementation. So let's. I want to install that. Yeah. Dump mine for Discord. Here we go. We can restart later. Okay, so dump mine for Discord. Cool. So how the frick do we use this thing? Okay, so it looks like you have an initialize method, and then you bind handlers. Okay. So I'm gonna need to import Discord RPC client and make a client. That's the first thing, and I need a client ID. So we'll grab that in a moment. So let's make our client. I would be surprised if I don't have to also import something. Discord RPC. Oh, wait, it was right there. Discord RPC client. Yep. Fake ID. Okay, so we got a client. Well, what's it warning me about? It is recommended that objects supporting the ID. So basically, I just have to type new. Okay, whatever. I'll discard it later. Actually, that's a good point. I need to discard it. So we're gonna do client.discard dispose. At the
Gosh, I
end.
wish I was as smart as Luigi, man. Woof.
I have initialized an object. I don't know what to tell you,
Woof.
bro.
This level of
Fucking
agency.
mind blowing.
Oh boy. Okay,
Well, you
so
didn't just
basically I'm just
initialize it.
converting.
You
I'm
also
yeah.
freed it. Whoa.
So hold on. Why is it not pasting? Oh, it's because
This is really tantalizing my absolute monkey brain right now.
Okay, so I don't have a console logger type. Now I do. How does this syntax work again? Actually, I think I can do like level equals
What level do you want to zoom
log
it to?
level. Warning is fine. Okay, now I think this one is supposed to not have new. Okay, what does it care about? The result of this equality, oh, because it returns a bool, so ignore this. Oh, and it has to be within a method. What am I doing? It can't be right here. The scope wouldn't make sense. It'd have to be here. Okay. It's still warning me? Right. So it could fail, but I'm just going to assume it doesn't, because if it does, whatever. Bigger problems. It probably wouldn't function, right? Either it works or it doesn't.
Love
Okay.
it.
Yeah, good enough. I mean, that's why I like F sharp, right? Like in C sharp, you could just call this and it wouldn't warn you, right? Oh wait, no,
Why
no.
the fuck would it
I'm
return a Boolean,
stupid.
bro?
I'm stupid. This is an equals.
Yeah.
I have to
Right?
do this. I have to
Oh.
assign it.
I was wondering what you were doing.
Yeah, that's how F sharp assigns, because you very rarely assign to a mutable thing. That's why it's a little funky.
Okay.
But it lets you do it, because otherwise you couldn't copy paste C sharp code like this. Okay, now this part I never remember how to do. So I'm gonna jump over. Actually, let me just share my whole screen. Is there anything? No. Okay, let me just share my whole screen. So you can see.
Did you close all the hentai just in case?
I got my music up. That has cute anime girls in it, but okay. So let's go to. I hope there's no embarrassing question. Oh no, it doesn't even show anything. Okay, so convert.
Let's go to fucking large language model. I love it, dude.
So this is actually a front end for ChatGPT. Convert this F sharp, or no, this C sharp to F sharp. I never remember how to do events in F sharp. Events are weird. Because, like, F sharp has its own event system that's separate from C sharp, and then it has. What? This is the code snippet. Whatever. It has its own event handling, and then there's a C sharp integration or interrupt handling. So yeah, okay. So, it's very simple. Okay, easy. Okay. Where is my VM? VM is here. Now I can full screen it. Cool. And then I have to do that. Okay, so what doesn't like this? Probably a
Looks
problem
great.
with the shape of this. Type constraint mismatch. The type. Oh, it added E. E is apparently. There's only one argument. And this argument is a ready message. Interesting.
We're gonna
So,
parse the fun message.
yeah, there it is. Username. So, that's the sort of thing a large language model can't figure out on its own.
Right.
Half parentheses.
Half parentheses, what?
Yeah, the first line.
You mean this thing? Or this thing? This is a method call. It's just like this, the console logger here.
You just
We're calling
split
the
out into
add
multiple
method.
lines.
Yeah. This is how you would space it in F sharp.
I need to
I
be in
mean,
a
you
better state
could
of
you
mind.
could also like be real pedantic and do that, and do it as a one-liner, but I don't like that syntax. I like it because the first thing that is significant is the method. The rest is
So you
boilerplate.
you create an
I agree.
entire you don't create an entire line for the code, but you create an entire line for the parentheses.
It's just making it more readable to the person.
Oh,
Because
Yeah.
that first
interesting.
line is all like setting up the anonymous method that he's creating, and then the actual middle part is like the custom code that we're writing, essentially, right? And then you just close it off on the third line. So you know, like that middle part is like the only thing that you've actually written.
I'm not sure what this update thing is about. Also, we want to print F on this.
It's probably whenever the fucking status updates, it writes out here. That's similar to the shit I was looking at for the.
But we are
Eternal
the one
Guardian.
updating the status. Oh, well, I guess, so when we update it later, it just has this, I guess.
What do you think? This is the acknowledge?
Yeah, so there's a ready, right? I don't know what that means. And then there's a presence update, which I guess is when we update our presence. There's a handler for that. What's wrong with this? It's not
Oh.
a string.
Hey, by the way, Luigi, just to completely throw you off topic, I got a fucking message from Empty Manager saying they're gonna fucking break our shit in a few days. I'm gonna have to fix it.
Uh-oh. Some kind of update that deprecates things or changes things in a breaking way?
Forcing everything over on the voice channels to use Discord's default voice text channel.
Oh, no. I can take a look
Yeah.
at the libraries. If you send me the source, I might be able to update it on my own. What language is it in? It's JavaScript, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can probably figure it out. I mean, it
Would you
seems...
mind? That'd be great, dude, if you could help me, because
Yeah, it'd be looks a good,
it's a pain in the ass. I tried to fix it before, and yeah.
Alright, so another thing, convert this object init in C# to F#.
Searching the web.
Yep. It actually looks up an article on the syntax. Both, I guess. Right.
My only
Okay.
hope is to
So,
learn through osmosis right now. That's it.
yeah, okay. So hang
Like
around.
this
What you
one
learn.
guy used to put a hard drive of books underneath his pillow at night in the class I went to. He failed the class, unfortunately.
How
But
do
he
you think I
tried.
should format this? Actually, it'll do it for us. Hold on. Edit.
It's kind of weird. What is this nested parentheses shit?
Well, I'm initializing objects within objects. I'm initializing an assets
Hmm.
and a rich presence. You don't have to call the new to initialize a type in F#.
I see that. That's pretty interesting. Okay.
Yeah, the new apparently has some meaning in terms of like disposables.
Okay.
But yeah. Okay, so that's apparently what it's supposed to look like.
Actually,
And
that looks
apparently
a lot better.
these
Yeah.
lambdas are a lot shorter, so they'll fit, right? Oh, I was reading it back. Nah. Okay, so this is definitely not what we want any of this to say, right? So this is going to be details. Interesting. Details is the example? Okay, we'll see what it displays. Oh shoot, I just realized it's going to be hard for me to test this. I'll have to install Discord within the VM. That'll be fun. So state is probably where we put something like flying or whatever, right? So we're gonna say current map, and then I don't know what
Yard.
else.
Just hard code it for now until you can figure out how to make it dynamic later.
It looks like that in Cogmind, right?
Yep.
Okay, so current map, current state greed. I don't know how you greed in junkyard, but
you can greet in the scrapyard for the combat air jets.
I guess you can, yeah, okay. So large image text. Beta 13. X1. Actually, yeah, I think it should have the version number because it'll have to be paired for each version, anyways, due to the library. Okay, so for greeting we got hover. So we're gonna have to make these images, but I think I can steal them from Runia's emote server, because we should have all the prop as images.
Great.
And they're pretty small, right? So, and then we'll probably actually have to scale them up. Okay, so cool. So that's that. And like I know how this works. Like you upload these in the UI for the web UI, and that's where you name them and stuff.
Wait, what are we doing with my emote server?
I'm stealing some emotes for the rich presents,
Oh, okay.
specifically the propulsion emotes, because I'm going to show which propulsion the user has in a tiny little icon in the corner. I don't know what I'll show for core hover though. Maybe just Cogmind himself. Themself.
You're gonna write this, and then you're gonna get Kiz to fucking adopt it as Cogmind's first mod to go into the code base.
There's no way he would include a fucking F sharp. Do you know how massive this thing is? I believe it's like you have to include a 5 megabyte library by default, which is F sharp core. And that alone,
It's
he'd
gonna
be
be
like,
Cogmind
"Oh,
player
no,
2.
Luigi."
Whoa.
Yeah, it's too big. Like he would not put it in the game because the game is like 32 megabyte zip.
No. Hear me out.
Really?
Think about Walkmind as Cogmind player 2. Imagine actually having an intelligent player 2, right? That's capable of understanding the game as opposed to like kind of just cobbled together, right?
What do you mean? Player 2 perfectly understands what he wants. Pure chaos. So, programmed as intended.
Okay. Well, it mission accomplished. But like, what if the player wants an intelligent agent?
Yeah, every time you issue a
Good
fucking
old piss
move to
pot.
player 2.
What the fuck is Pissbot, Luigi?
There is a website called Piss Daily that my friend runs, which is the premiere of Yellow Journalism, which is a series of satire news articles that he makes a small amount of money off of. And so the server is, and so that's the piss spot is for the server for there.
Barely
Of course,
disguised.
Yeah,
it's
you
a
know.
fucking Calvin picture, dude.
Barely disguised fetishes.
I didn't know what to put. Yeah, I'm not into that, but okay. I believe I've already made. Don't steal my keys, by the way.
Yeah, you really should be broadcasting that, brah.
I don't think these are the
already
public
copied it
key,
down.
and the app ID is in the URL for the. You can figure this out by tracing it. I think what I shouldn't show is this, some of this stuff. Yeah, see, it doesn't even show the secret,
Right,
which
right,
I'm
right.
gonna have to give the secret though. So start
Let's
recording.
do it.
I
dude.
need to get a fucking 2FA code.
Imagine having security.
Let's see. Okay, it's da-da. Cool. We got it.
Swing
Now where do
shot
I
him.
put that? Actually, I might have to just get it again. Wait, no. So it said client ID in the thing, right? No. Oh yeah, I need client ID. I guess we'll get the secret later. Maybe we don't even need the secret. That's weird.
Yeah, usually you do, right?
I don't know, man. This is the example. Maybe you don't. In fact, I kind of don't remember ever using the secret. I think the secret is for bots.
Yeah, okay, that's what I was associating with. Because I had to use the secret in the bot.
Yeah, no. For rich presents, I don't think it matters. Yeah, so here I should have some icons. Yeah, I have flight, so we'll use flight as the example.
How do you only have
So
half a fucking flight unit, dude?
it shows weird in the Discord UI, but it shows right in an actual Discord client. It's because it's a tiny image.
Why would you butcher flight like that?
And then apparently the big one is called Cogmind logo.
So I was out getting food. What exactly are we doing here? Like, what's
I'm
the...
writing the Discord rich presence.
Okay.
You know, like where in Discord it shows, you know, like current state, you know, current map, 11 junkyard, current state greed, right?
Oh, right.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, because Kiz did that for Steam, but not for Discord.
Current state, memeing.
Yeah, so this might work. And then I think I have to do something like...
Yeah, you have to get it to stay, right?
Is
Yeah,
he actually
go-
awarding mod points though?
Why?
You gave me
Did you just
one.
get fucking do while loop? What is this shit?
I mean, I don't care. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, dude? Oh, it's doing sniff mine. Whoops.
Mine.
Sniff.
Oh yeah. Alright. What does
Gross.
sniff line do? I don't remember. Something. Apparently it fails because Cogmind's not running. Anyways, don't mind for Discord. Let's run it. See what happens. Oh, it's gonna fail because I don't have Discord installed.
Build succeeded.
Oh, and I have to kill my current rich presence.
Why are you coding into VM anyway?
Because I'm writing F# for .NET Framework, so it's Windows only.
Let me see.
Mac users can suffer.
Can and do.
I might be able to find a way to make it somewhat cross-platform in the sense that it'll work on Wine, but that's a problem for much later.
Right.
Oh, it'll auto-log me in. Perfect. Okay, so now this should have failed. Yeah, here we go. Received ready from user Luigi. Received update. Okay, what does my status say? Let's take a look.
Okay. I have eaten, and I think I'm ready to continue.
Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Is it working?
Oh shit!
So it looks like I'm gonna have to split it up like this, right? So it's always gonna say
Yeah.
Cogmind. I'm not gonna have the version. It's gonna say current map and then current state. We'll have the little propulsion, whatever. Yeah. Oh, and then when you hover over it, shows the version number.
It's super cool.
Huh.
So yeah, now I just have to write the rest of the frickin' owl, which is that parsing of the
That's
game
so
state.
cool.
That's not too bad. I already have most of that solved, anyways. So yeah, I'll turn streaming back over to Runia.
Thank you. All right. Head,
I'm actually gonna be right back real quick, so don't go too far.
Yeah.
Munchin.
I'm mostly just finishing up here. Okay.
So like I gotta ask,
Uh-huh.
do you think that the Z-Lite, the Xylite, do you think that it's possible that the printer took bots from the normal Zion area and turned them into the Z-Lites?
I have no idea.
Is this the machine where that happens? Like, what's that terminal there? What is that? Is that where he integrates? Like, what if he goes in that area?
If Kiz ever answered these questions, it might be sometime soon, I hope. Otherwise, I think we're probably going to be guessing for eternity. Anyway, these miniguns, trash, don't need them. Apparently, Golem is plus salvage, since I got every single fucking hacking suite. Hello? Hi? It's a simple running on headless. Okay, anyway. Alright, so we got a shit ton of hackware, which is really nice. Probably don't need 3 launchers anymore. Weapon cycler can go. I am going to need space for more golem units, though. I think this is all I'm really going to make golem-wise for now.
Like, what if you imprint and then do it?
What if you imprint?
Yeah, so surely somebody's done it, right?
What, imprint then go to ZDC?
Yeah, and then go in that little crevice there.
I don't think it does anything, no. We would have known if it did anything by now, I would think. Okay, tractor beam's not useful anymore. I do need matter. Let's just get some matter here.
You're not gonna CRM.
Oh, and throw my run? Absolutely.
How would it throw your run?
Because I need DC to even do this run.
What's the run objective?
Drained L cannon. I need to be able to see the gate. That's what DC lets me get.
Oh! You're doing an L cannon. Okay, don't let me distract you. Then I'm gonna stay muted.
I mean, there's really no distraction right now. It's just mostly busy work at the moment. The only time I'm gonna really need to focus is late game when all this shit's happening. Okay, pulse cannons aren't really... I guess I'll keep one. Am I faster on these legs? Strangely enough, I'm faster on 3 legs. Well, I get heavy treads, we'll just run 4 legs for now. Pop. Grab. I think I'm okay with 2 golem units, but 3 could be nice because I'm gonna need that extra... safety net, because biocell arrays are absolutely required for late game with the setup I'm running, so. But I got 2 out of 3 power, excuse me, power op chips. I've got all my hack where I need to hack for schematics. I actually wonder if this is enough hacking power to get hybrids on -6. I doubt it. It's what, plus 44? Let's see here. Let's see, hybrids are what? 7? Yeah, rating 7. So the schematic for rating 7 is minus 41%. Yeah, that's a lot of hack. So probably getting it on -4 is probably going to be the best bet for us, but I really don't want to grab them that late. If I can have all my shit in inventory by the time I get through like Warlord and Zerov, that would be amazing, but I doubt it. I also need imp power shielding, which I could hack for. I already hacked for that, I think. Let me double check.
You need power shielding by command, right?
Yes. So I don't need that until later, but I'd rather fab it earlier than later. I'd hate having to like be in game and be scrambling around for power shielding.
I just don't think you will. You will, right? I think you'll just run into it on like -3. You know.
We'll see. I am DC, so I won't have to worry about CRM making that harder to find. One of the boons of not running CRM. I know what all.
Pretty nice.
I know what all the shit is. And also, don't I get all the prototype IDs too anyway? So.
You do, yeah.
Yeah, so it'd be a lot easier. Okay, backup engine maybe not required. I don't need this casing anymore. Grab it anyway. Heat sinks. Keep an E impulse around just in case. Keep my launchers just in case. I think we're looking good. Also, MT, if you weren't here, but I high rolled on the hacking suites. I got a hacking suite from every single one of them.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah.
That's.
I'm even considering taking a 5th, just to make getting that antimatter schematic a lot easier. But
I mean, how much hackware can you even wear?
not much right now. But I'm not going to be hacking for it until maybe -5. That's a level 2. That would give me, with 5, that would give me like 30% chance, which isn't bad. But -4, I'd practically get it, guaranteed. The other consideration is that if extension ends up on, which it wasn't on Well, we don't know. If extension's on -6, then whatever. That means this hackware is really important. We also might kill DM, hopefully. It'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, but we'll have to see. So maybe not taking this hacking suite's probably okay. Or we'll most likely get us on -4 easily. Alright, I think that's a good state to be in. Got plenty of golem units. I'm most likely might not need this many, but on this run I never know because I absolutely need them. I also don't need this nano vent. That could just be... is there any other utils up here that I could use? Heat sink, phase shifter maybe? Not a great util. Oh, weapon cycler. Yeah, I can use weapon cycler. They're pretty sweet actually. And anything else from ZM Printer that I want? Experimental reaction control I can't even use. Phase shifter maybe? But that's pretty power hungry. Especially when we want to be doing focals.
I don't
So,
think you're using a phase shifter anytime soon.
no. So we'll stick with cycler. I haven't decided yet whenever I want to start stacking power slots. Like I wonder if I could just focus on getting my utilities first. Because I'm at, what, 5 now? So that's 3 evos, all util. So, -4. I could look into starting getting my power slots and my weapon slots, maybe? Not sure yet, I haven't decided. So, anything else, though?
Seems reasonable.
Yeah. Treads. They could make good armor, but... I still have plenty of armor here. They could be, considering they're still green, too. Like, I could probably just drop a golem unit and just get these treads. I don't think I'm going to be losing these other 2 golem units. I just have to make sure I keep them on the whole run. And then maybe...
2 GU seems like enough.
Yeah.
You know?
And then leave the second one for command when I absolutely need it. Or just drop that. Grab treads. Alright, buddy. Have fun. Let's go. Damn it. Don't actually know if that reported me. It scanned, but the message didn't go through, so I don't know what that means.
I think he smashed it before I got the chance to send a signal off. Because an alert message will show up along with the census signal log entry. So I think he just blew his face off before I got a chance.
That'd be pretty cool if that was the case. Also, hello. Apple, I know you're here, but welcome to voice chat. Do we kill a behemoth if we run across one? Oh, that fucking sucks.
On the
Oh,
bright
boy.
side, you now have the extension entrances.
Oh, I do. Do we just shoot here? I have plenty of backup power. Do I just shoot to kill here? Or do I put on my launcher?
I think you murder the shit out of these guys if you line it up right.
Oh, with the focals, you mean?
Yeah.
Let's see. Well, here I'm exposed to just about everything. But that does give me line of sight, and they funnel through. Interesting. 255 for firing time. Okay. A singular friend. Okay. I actually do move faster with all 4 legs on. Oh, hello. Oh, this is fine, actually. Back up here. Vocal's good. Would have been nice to get like
Local's good indeed.
terminal intel in here, but okay, we're gonna swap this heavy armor and maybe hope for repairs. My coverage right now. Okay, it's not bad. And at that time I did get spotted. That's unfortunate. Oh, hey, Amoka. What is with everybody, like, truncating their names to a single letter and then putting triple ellipses? It's streamer mode? Oh, interesting. Didn't know it did that. I just kind of sick of everyone, like, leaving the call and popping back in and just pinging Discord a bunch on stream. So I turned it on. I don't normally have it on.
Yeah, it's pretty nice sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Idiot forgot to stand still before he shot. Can't believe it. Okay, fusion jammer, transmission jammer, fusion compressor, thermal gen. Would be nice, not really necessary though. I feel like I got everything I want in my pack. Excuse me. Earlier had a burger and it had pickled onions on it. It's very good. Pickled onions.
Sounds delicious.
It is super good. Alright, we'll keep the golem unit off for now until I desperately need it, so. But I don't really know what else to put in my slots here. I guess I go ahead and throw it on. It's fine. Save me.
I think it's nice because now you can just regen immediately, right?
Yep.
Like,
So we're just gonna regen this vocal now.
I mean, just like while you're walking around.
Yep.
You
That's what I mean. Yeah. Vision core.
It's like most of the time you don't jump into like crazy action immediately, right?
Mm-hmm.
Man, hard cell's super good too.
Hard cell or hard light?
Or hard light, I mean, sorry.
Right.
Yeah, they're both good. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I'm running around now. I'd be running around on 210. And then I would get treads, coverage, and integrity. I feel like that's better than these legs, honestly. These legs are okay, but I'd rather cover my other stuff. But then again, this is technically armor. And I could just regen this whenever I want to. And I already have heavy armor plating, so, At least they're better than probably what I have in my inventory right now. Or wait a minute. Meat treads. Yeah, way better. Legs last forever because only 60 coverage. That's true. Corrupted off-chip processor? I don't need that. Unknown treads.
That's fine.
What's this? Int mediums? Okay, pretty cool. Like it. Seems like a dead end. Just move. Okay. The low roll is real. Oh my. Okay, alright game. Alright, I get it.
Oh boy.
I get it. What is this factory? Holy shit. Just get a billion alert going into -6, that's cool.
I mean, this is why we have vocals, right?
Yep.
Just kill the shit out of everything.
Another dead end. Nope, never mind. Oh, yes. So much integrity just saved right there. Amazing. And then we'll just
pretty good repair.
we'll just skedaddle.
Love those.
I think I'm okay to go ahead and repair one of these for now. Why do I fucking need hackware? Oh my god. Sick. Okay.
Easy game.
So, now that we know where the exit is, I feel a little bit safer to explore. I do really want to find some more fabricators, if I can. Come on. Oh, I wanted that terminal. Never mind. Tesla bombs. Interesting factory layout so far. Or like, okay, so maybe I don't bother with fabricators until I have DC, because then I would know exactly where they all were.
Kind of makes sense. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not terrible to use them now, though.
Experimental coolant injector. That's kind of a shitty yaller. Yeah, that's a not a great yaller. Now, since I'm entirely relying on my focals, I might as well just drop this pulse cannon. Interrupted? Oh. Well, I guess we go. I don't want to sit here and fuck around with heavies all day. Like that. When focus off, it is off, thank you. 4 different types of bad flight units. Do I have brace? I do not. I don't know why I need brace though. Oh, let's just leave. It's fine. We can just rebuild in here. 0 corruption, don't fucking worry about losing all my item IDs. Getting jump scared? It's fine. I think I really need to worry about is something taking my stuff, really. Less weapon cycler. Do I really need it? It's really nice having the extra DPS, but... No engine? I mean, I have all the backup power in the world, it's not a big issue. I'll just slap it on something. Hard heavy armor plating, well, and then I just throw in a launcher. Like, it's literally not a problem. This armor, I would really like to repair it, but I don't see repairs anytime in my near future, so I'll go ahead and drop it. Hopefully we'll be getting some more armor from the enhanced grunts anyway. Armor. Oh, makeshift spear? Yes, please. Oh, Green Samaritan. That means there's a prog around. I can get away with not having to deal with Coralizer? Do I still have light armor in my... It's more in medium. If I can get away with just like spearing them, that'd be cool. Map Lie, Map Tau, Map Sam. What are you doing over there, Luigi?
I don't know what these are. These are on my list, though. Then there's maps for the winds, too, which was easy, you know, you just say the name of the wind. But I think Sand might be Sandbox. Is there a Wizmode Sandbox? I don't know what Tau and Lie are.
Map Sands? Undertale?
Yeah, maybe there's Sands and...
Do-do-do-do.
Maybe the first one's Map Lair
Scraptown?
and Scraptown, and then obviously SAN is Santa. Come on.
Emergency exit jump scare? Incoming?
is really good cord tag for proxy caves.
1 second. Okay. Hey there, Fire. What'd you say?
This is like, so did you go to ZDC this floor?
No. This is caves.
Oh.
Lower caves.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought this was proxy after, and I was like, wow, 695. That's so much core integrity.
And what is it, like 700 core max for -7? I can't remember. It's like 150 per floor or something.
Maybe. Why is everyone muted?
Just because they don't want to end up triggering their mics when they're not trying to talk, I would imagine.
Why is everyone allergic to push to talk? Oh, you gotta love vocals.
What do you mean allergic? I'm typing away, so if I had a hot mic, you'd hear me typing.
That's why you gotta push to talk.
Yeah, what do you think I'm doing?
You're clicking the unmute button instead of using a push to talk hotkey.
How did you know?
He knows your every move.
Who does?
You do.
They know.
Hey fellas, what's up? Agreed here for a minute, since I know where the exit is. I was kind of hoping they'd just leave me alone, but I guess they really do not care about this this Minesweeper. That's cool. Okay, let's go ahead and rebuild. Now having corruption's pretty sweet.
Art agree. 0% corruption in caves feels so nice.
It really does, especially whenever we're doing golem stuff.
The difference between 1% and 99% corruption in my head is literally nothing.
There's differences, but it's not enough to make a like a huge difference.
It makes you a little more sad, a little more often.
You lose shit faster, you misfire more IFF bursts, things like that. It's just the frequency at which things happen. Let's see, what did I get here? Enhanced armored leg?
Enhanced armored legs!
Oh
Yes!
yeah, enhanced arm legs, let's go.
Advanced particle charger. Calm Herf heavy siege threads?
Combat grav mags? What is this, like, goated fucking DM terminal? Okay, the prototype ID banks were that great, but still.
Did we just get cutter schematics?
I think we did.
Yo, let's fab cutters.
Yeah, Carver. Let's see here. Let's throw on some. Not that. Stop that. Let's throw on Imp Medium. Let's throw on my Core Analyzer. And let's throw on some fucking spears. Makeshift spear will be pretty dope. I think this can core kill. Not the high roll than follow up, but should work.
You get momentum when you're so fat.
Yeah, I still get momentum. Okay, 38. That's not bad, I guess. Still a high roll. Well, we'll see. This isn't really as important as just getting the DC. So let's do the Luigi strat. Damn it. Alright, it's fine.
All right, wait. Can I stop you for a second?
No? What's up?
You're using a core analyzer with spears.
Yeah, they half stack.
Oh, okay.
Bonk.
Oh yeah.
Core exposure 39. Oh, that core hit impale. Let's go. Come on. Okay. There's your mini nuke utility, or your mega nuke. Nice.
There's a big difference between a mini nuke and a mega nuke. Which one is it?
I don't know. Alright, we'll just run here so his stuff pulls it this way. Hey. Not my alloy armor. Rude. Cool, that couldn't have gone any better. Alright. Advanced particle charger on focals sounds disgusting.
Yep, it's pretty good.
So I'll have to consider that. Okay. Let's see here. Let's start rebuilding. Didn't get a lot of armor drops, unfortunately, but it's fine, I think. That tread looks like a cone. Cogmind gaming. See. Oh yeah, that's a lot of damage.
Ooh, idea for you, Luigi. You gotta make different colors of all the prop for the integrity of that prop type.
Yeah, well, you're welcome to submit a PR.
I'm just being the ideas guy.
I could probably do that.
Everyone
I
knows you
would
need an
rather
ideas guy.
color it based on the ASCII color, though. 'Cause that's cool.
I guess that'd be cool. Except
I
that's like not
could
the
also do
default.
rarity, which is the default. Rarity would be a little. I'd have to extract the colors. Which would be a little annoying, but I could probably do it. I think for now I gotta make all the icons exactly square to fix this warping issue. But and also it should not say current state greed. I have like almost full core, and it's only based on core. It's not based on full build because I would need to record the full integrity of every item somehow, and then map them, which is annoying.
All right, looking good. Like coming out of DM with a nice stash. So let's see. I have a lot of biocells. I'm gonna keep these around just for energy siphoning for focals until I need to replace them. Ideally, I would end with 4 advanced energy wells. I do not trust having only 20 integrity on these things and them not getting blown off. in the middle of A0. So, let's see, hard medium armor plating. That's integrity. Not a lot of integrity, but it's something. Up and cycler can go, I think. Okay, I like it. Maybe. Double check here. One backup neutron cannon. I still have guided plasma. Okay, we're good. Okay. Let's just get moving here. So now we have DC. So now we have pretty much every analysis, which is awesome. Things will die a lot faster. Have all prototype IDs. Let's check our map, actually. We luck out. Oh my god, we got the best seed! Let's fucking go! We skip Warlord, but that's perfectly fine. I don't really need to worry about Warlord. Hell, we could fucking even go lab if we wanted to. It's on the same floor as testing. I don't give a shit about testing. I kind of do because I would like maybe like a type multi would be awesome. Null maybe to just help me like get through the rest of the end game. But I could get warp cannon. Oh my god. Warp cannon, get some energy gen. Grab CRN so we can scan it. I don't know. Get some prototype hackware. Gosh, what do I do here? And then also I have Zerov, so now I can possibly get experimental power shielding. This is sick. Okay, I'm excited. Very excited. Okay. Also, DC is gonna help us get the entrance extension too, so that'd be really sick. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Cool. I'm happy about that. See, it's those 2 runs beforehand where I fucked up royally and had to reset. That was just map RNG manipulation. So yeah.
Do the rain dance.
Yeah, exactly. I needed to die a couple times to get perfect map RNG. Now, does this help with me writing the guide? Not really. I would ideally need a scenario where I can't rely on extension -5 again, because both of my successful runs have been extension -5. Or at least my one successful run has. All the runs that are successful, -5 extension. It's just a very, very good route for this type of build and map configuration. Because like if I can somehow get Cetus online and shitting out enhanced grunts, I can get those wells too. Do I kill this guy? Can I kill this guy?
You fucking annihilate this dude.
How am I golem unit? Rude. Okay. Everyone's joining the party here. Jesus. Hi, guys. Alright. Okay, make sure all the patrols are... got their jollies off here.
Oh shit, Cogmind just crashed on me.
Uh-oh.
There's a crash log. Wait. Wrong folder. There is no crash log.
Are you in Wiz mode?
Nope. There, it just closed. I was using shader mods though.
It was probably
I bet it was the shader.
I bet Apple remoted in and closed it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright, everything's going good so far. Let's keep rolling. Golem unit taking all that damage this early kind of sucks, but I think we'll be okay. I still got a backup. Alright. Let's see, what's my evo here though? 2 util, I think? Is it 2?
Yeah, I mean, so how many slots do you need for power by the end of the game?
6. So hopefully
probably only get like 2 more utils, right?
no.
So maybe it's wise to get them early.
No. I'm going to be ending with 11 utils. I need the second biocell array. It's going to be 6, 4, 11, 4 by the end of the run. So I have what? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay, so you
5,
have 3
6,
more
7,
utils?
8. Yeah, 3 more utils.
Okay.
Yep.
I was close.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, I guess it's wise to get them early.
Mm-hmm. And that way I'll have Combat Suite early too. So that'll be nice. Let me... For some reason I don't have my Evo on my notes. Let me just like triple double check real quick to make sure that's correct. I'm pretty sure it's 11 for the second biocell array. Yep, it's 11 for the second biocell array. So yeah, that gives me 6k in power slots. That gives me plenty of prop. Like I only need golem legs really, and maybe some heavy treads would be cool. 4 power slots obviously for DLC, and then the 6 power slots for the hybrid antimatters. And then if I get CE, that's cool. I get 12 utility by the end of the game, which is pretty standard. So yeah, this is why I think this is going to be pretty decent. Like maybe not super consistent depending on map RNG. But I still think this is probably a lot easier than fucking around with thieves all game. Because thieves just make everything harder. They steal your golem units, they steal all your shit. Yeah, I don't like thieves. Did I brush up on my trick? You fucking bet your ass I did. We did a couple test shots in A0 last time we did this. What's funny too is it's actually really easy for me to tell when it's going to hit arch because it shows like the blue penetration square. And I also discovered that instead of going forward, go back on the entrance of A0. It gives you a wider angle to work with. That way whenever you're evening out your angle or your points on the map to get your triangle ratios down, you have a little bit more leeway there. Rather than trying to get a harder angle getting close to arch, you have a wider angle to shoot with. So... but we still got to get there, so... Anyway, I am a little worried that since we're missing Warlord, we'll be missing his event on -2, but with DC, -2 will have Quarantine, so I can just find Quarantine entrance that way, which is sick, and that's why I also think maybe going Armory on -3, and then teleporting, going to Lab, might not actually be that bad of an idea. I could also look into getting, maybe killing A5 and getting his hackware to help me hack for schematics, if I still need them. Yeah, free tele from Zero is going to be sick. So I'm pretty excited. I don't know if I'll do the whole run today, by the way. I'm still pretty tired, and I've got to wake up early tomorrow for meetings and stuff. So I don't want to be streaming all day. But we'll probably at least go until extension's over, and then I'll call it good, and then I'll start this back up on the weekend, most likely. We'll continue from there. So... just lately, I just want to not be streaming like large hours of the day. Just don't really have the energy for it right now. So, and when I had to focus for runs like this, I'd rather be more attuned. So, 2 evos or 2 utils. Let's go. Extensions right there. All right, let's go. Any fabs on the way? 0 fabs on the way. I could maybe get away with grabbing one of these fabs, but that's a long way to walk, so... Instant Sage. Okay. I guess we can start building while we're walking, maybe. Shield gen. Unit already gave you 219 events while you're just loading the intel in, yeah. It does that. Alright, we're gonna hang out here and we're gonna build our extra stuff. I think I can go ahead and build. Yeah. Armor, particle charger. Cool. Looking pretty good so far. I'm really liking this. We could probably also even regen this flex gen. Cool. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells. Okay, thankfully most of them are in this location, and then it looks like A7's on the other side. And I don't see any cyclers, so pretty safe extension so far. The combat suite's gonna make this so much easier. Things are going to fucking get obliterated. Especially with particle charger. In fact, I think I can just dig through these doors. Yeah, I can just dig through these doors with focal, so I don't have to worry about hacking. I will say though that runs like this are a little bit nerve-wracking because there's so much on the line for like, as far as the run goals are concerned, that it gets a little bit more anxiety-inducing. With like normal Cogmind runs where you're just kind of going with the flow and things just are kind of happening, it's a little bit easier to be like, okay, if my build shits the bed somehow, I can always fall back on XYZ, but here it's like I need to stick with the plan the entire time. Which makes it for a little bit more stressful. So this is definitely not a run you want to do if you have a hard time dealing with that kind of stress, but... Oh, my particle charger. How dare you. All of them makes it a little bit easier though, I think. The suspension frame literally does not matter. Oh, I can wear some more armor. Okay, got plenty of boys there. Getting a hunter there is pretty cool, or a gorilla, whatever they're called. I don't know why I did that. I have all the prototype baddies in the world. Long-range proton cannon? Okay, that would be sick for getting the Cetus treads. So I wonder where that's located. I can't believe this actually is good. Sorta. I mean, depending on where it was, I probably could have just found it, but... let's see. Let's do Trojan operators, so I know where those little bastards are. Okay, drop a well. Time to kill is a little lower than my normal run, where I have like super battery. So that's another thing to consider. If you're not going the super battery route, you won't have just like the ability to go triple focals and just melt the entire game because you have unlimited energy practically. So that is definitely something to think about. Really? But I'm making it work. I mean, it's Golem. It's going to be strong no matter what. Now, I might not even need to help out with this army that I got rolling here. This is a pretty good extension so far. Alright, fellas, let's go. Single file, please. Alarm traps. It's okay. Oh, look at this. It's glorious. We just... There's an argument for maybe bringing a stress scanner here to check for any invisible... those like hidden compartments down here, because sometimes they can have energy wells in them, which is pretty cool. Or we can just literally aggro everything. That might be one. But let's take care of these guys first. Get out of the way. Oh my god, I get annihilated. Hit medium armor? I'll take that. C. I really like if you guys could stop shooting me, please. That'd be great, actually. Yeah, really thinking about it, Extension is just a very good branch for this route. Like, thinking about it more, it's like I get access to heavy treads, I get access to the additional hacking chance, the defense hackware, which means I can just stock up on nothing but offensive hackware. It gives me the energy wells, it gives me, I don't know, just so much. I felt like I could kill R17 for hackware and long-range sensor array. Okay. This one or this one? I'm gonna gamble on this one. Neither? Oh, okay. Right. No? Okay. Yeah, getting -5 extension is definitely a high roll here. I feel a little bit more confident about this run, getting that. Let's get rid of this layered. That's... Alright, let's see if I can just hack them open here. Hey, 7. Fremd. Rolled. That's cool. Can we get some trap intel here so that doesn't happen again? No? Okay. Well, long-range proton's cool, so I'll take it. Getting caved on too. God. This gorilla's being absolute chads. That poor grunt never stood a chance. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's locate some more traps here. No? Okay. Cannot recall investigation here. Fine. We just simply shoot them. See, I would like some Infowar for later. We can go ahead and take that now. If I don't need it, I'll just drop it. Long range proton, pretty sick at this point, so. Take my army and let's go bully some Cetus guards here. Oh, getting in front of everyone's going to be a challenge. Okay, I already got one armor. It's okay, the guerrillas are just absolutely annihilating them. Fine. A third one. Oh my fucking Christ, dude. Never stood a chance. Now they're just killing everybody else though, which is not cool. Alright. Pretty high integrity Centrium. Sick. We'll take these corrupted Centrium heavies. Got the enhanced boys going. Wait, whomst? Was a frog? No. Oh my god. Not great. Kind of help clear out the chaff though a little bit, which is fine. Okay. Sick. Alrighty then. Let's see here. What do we replace these with? What's the integrity on these? 721? Probably won't end up needing more than 2, honestly. I'm cool with that. Alright, 17. You know what? We'll let him live. Maybe, unless he dies. Which he might. He's absolutely dead. Oh no, he's living. Sweet, we actually get the R17 event too. Now please no Zerov. Okay, thank God. Thanks, A7. Okay. Let's hang out with the entourage in here. And do just a little bit of rebuilding. Current map -6 upper Ks, current state pristine. Sick. That is awesome, Luigi. Six icons later after release. Nice. Okay, we have a shit ton of armor here. We can drop this, I think. And just rebuild. Although I could probably just rebuild after this, honestly. I think that'd be okay. So we'll just go and kill everything real quick. You're a random thug. Okay. Where'd that come from? There? Cool. Now, is this hacking better than makeshift? It is, actually. Not by a lot, but we'll take it.
Oh. Jeez, we're already in hubs.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we're moving right along. I intend to get at least one hub. I have Zerov next floor, so I can just dip into caves. I do need to do some hacking here, I think. At some point, though. Like, not having to deal with trackers at all would be pretty cool, but not really, not really realistic. Like, I'm gonna have to kill trackers eventually, I think. Okay, is that all the operators here? That's all of them.
So are you still gonna finish this off on the weekend?
Yep, probably. Like I said, I don't really feel like streaming all day.
Man, I really look forward to it.
Yep.
So much.
Yeah, I'll probably.
Can't wait to see it, man.
I might do it Sunday, because like I said, I'm gonna be coming in. I'm gonna be coming in early and leaving late work like the entire week. So, I will probably not
That's
have.
awesome. It's gonna be a legendary stream.
I hope so. It won't be.
Hope we get to do the trig.
Yeah, I mean, like it won't be the.
Just cheering you on, man.
I
hope you're super successful. I'm probably have to dip though.
That's okay. That's why I'm recording it. Okay, let's do a little bit of time travel. Can't wait for Kiz to unleash the time travel cops on us. Time travel cop unchained.
The snail.
The snail, yeah. Just kind of sneaks up on you when you least expect it because you're going like fucking 2,000 time units a move. Then
Yeah, yeah.
You're
You
dead.
get to watch it slowly walk up and touch you.
Okay.
Looking pretty good.
Yeah, let's rebuild a little bit. Just all integrity is cool. Like I said, alerts probably not going to be a big issue coming out of here. Depends on how we do it. I mean, we might just like park somebody next to a hub and see if they blow it up. But let's see. Thank goodness there's no Zot clock. Yeah, crackle. Zot clocks. Alloy armor could be better. We can definitely rebuild that. Let's see, let's walk in here. Okay, everybody, let's hang out here for a minute. I'll get my stuff together here. Okay. Looks good. All right, let's go, boys. Wow, okay. Hub right there. I just need to find an exit now.
Love that info.
It's super good. Probably not. No, okay. Do you guys hear that, by the way?
Hear what?
The machine. I don't know if you can hear it on stream very well. The sound of this machine, it sounds exactly like when you're installing Farcom. Interesting.
Huh. Okay.
Yeah, this archive unit right here, it sounds exactly like Farcom. That's really funny.
It's the Farchival unit.
Yeah, let's go with that. Okay, so nothing there. Ah, there you are. Oh, oh, my boys. Oh, fuck. Hmm. I think I can kill a heavy. I really don't want to fucking deal with the dudes he sends out, considering the garrison's right there, though. He could also be standing on an exit, but having to fucking put up with lightnings coming out of here next to a garrison seems bad.
Doesn't look like you have much choice at this point.
Right. Okay. Okay, shield in. That's kind of expected that. Oh! Oh, easy. Okay. I wonder if I just blow this up and leave. Instead of fucking with this heavy. I'm already sieged though. Let's unsiege real quick. Or that guy can just get Shrek, that's cool too. Alrighty.
Get ready for how big this program is, since I know we were talking about how this wouldn't ship it. 1.79 megabytes. Not even 2 megs. And that's zipped though.
Incredible.
And like I said, I don't care about alerts, so... But my combat suite got hit, which isn't great. I could maybe try rebuilding around here. Won't be that hard, I think. Yeah, we can try. Oh wait, I need to take off my... I can do it next floor. Fine. I don't need suspension frame. All right. Thank you for your service. Advanced particle charger? Oh yeah. Grab one of those. Okay, we got all 4 advanced energy wells I wanted. Cool. Okay, let's break the hub and go. At least attempt to. Everyone's coming out of here. And we leave. Okay, so we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 2 more util slots. I think that sounds okay for -4. And then we go 1 power, maybe 2 power on negative 3. You're pretty sick, actually.
Wait, we can't get the assembled computer?
Hey, Amy. The assembled combat suite?
Yeah,
We'll regen that next floor because I can't get that without taking off my huge storage.
I see.
Yeah, so we'll regen that next floor. We'll have plenty of time to do it in caves, so. Yeah, that sounds cool. 2 more util. Alright, so all we really need is our power and our weapon slots now. So. I have 1 single enhanced grunt who is at 6 core exposure. Great. Oh my god. You fuck. Okay, we'll start the suite. Start the suite and then try to move out of this garrison's range. Alright, so since we're at -4, we need to start getting those hybrid antimatter schematics going. So we need to find a level 1, slap all of our hackware we can, and then go for it. We also need a weapon mount schematic, and we still need that power shielding. So we'll see what happens. What do we got here? Branch access? I wonder if we go ahead and just slap it on all now. Definitely take off on these nano vents. Throw on some hackware. Suspension frame does not matter. Sick. It's right there? Wow. Okay.
Blessed run.
So, in reality, I'd really like to hit all these fabs I can, but since I know the exit, I wonder if that's not a big deal. Let's head back up here. See, this might not be a dig, but... That's a dig. Okay. So now we need to probably slap on everything I can here. I think this is a level 1. Yes, alright. Okay, schematic, hybrid antimatter reactor. Easy game, alright. Schematic, weapon mount. got it too. Okay. The hardest part's out of the way. Hallelujah. Okay.
What's a weapon mount?
Weapon mount. So it is a utility slot, 1-slot utility that will increase your targeting by 20%, but also double the coverage on your weapons. So this is actually very important for this run, consistency-wise. The thing is about L cannon is that it has minus 20% targeting, and since this is I haven't explained the run actually since you've been here. So I'm doing a drained L cannon big head mode run. So what that entails is I need to amass 6 hybrid antimatter reactors. Probably take off this hacking suite now and put on some armor. I need to get weapon mount, hybrid antimatter reactors, power shielding. I'm going to get 6 power slots, slap all my shit on. I'm going to have 10k power by the end of this, and then weapon mount will make it so that it offsets the negative 20% targeting malice on L cannon, which it's kind of it's not as big of a deal if you're just doing the normal L cannon where it doesn't require any energy, but I need to have the highest possibility of getting a one-shot kill when I only have 1 shot, and then it takes like, I don't know, in between like 500, 600 turns just to regen all my energy back. So
What's an L cannon?
it is a redacted item. So
Oh.
it means absolutely nothing in this context, unless I explain everything. So just know that it is a very cool weapon for late game.
Yeah, it sounds like it drains all your power instantly or something.
The normal L cannon does not. Normal L cannon requires 0 energy, but it also is part of a side quest.
I see. So you can get an upgraded or alternative L cannon?
So the drained version is the version without the... It's called a L capacitor. So you basically need to find a capacitor in a different area that will allow you to attach it to the L cannon when you find it, because it comes drained preemptively. Okay, this kind of sucks actually. I don't like them shooting my...
So you're gonna use the drained L cannon, is that?
Yep, that's the point of the run.
Instead of adding the capacitor.
Yep.
And people usually don't do that because it's bad or something?
They don't do it because it's impractical.
Right.
The point of the run is doing the impractical. A force field?
Got it.
Yep. I've already done this run before, but was with a completely different route. There's just one sitting on the ground! Oh my god. This run is being too generous to me. I'm a little worried now.
We're gonna need 6 of those.
We're gonna need 6 of them.
And is there a reason? Is this build like plan related to the fact that?
Oh, that's heavy. Never mind, it's heavy. Sorry.
Any energy wells?
So the full build is going to be 4 power, 4 prop, 11 utility, and 4 weapons. So L cannon is 4 weapon slots. I'm sorry, 6 power. 6 power, 4 prop, 11 utility, 4 weapon. So it's, in the end, I'm going to have 6 hybrid antimatters. They have 1,000 energy storage per. Weapon mount with 4 advanced energy wells and 2 biocell arrays. The biocell arrays and the energy wells will be the rest of my 4k energy I need. Then, of course, the 4 weapon slots for L cannon, and then I'm going to have the power shielding to keep them protected, because they don't have that much integrity, but they have a little bit of kind of coverage. And then targeting, and I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. So I could probably post a full build at some point. Biometal heavies? Okay. I need to watch my turn count here. Oh my fucking god. Yeah, just give me those, I guess. Not as good with this build since it's not as much integrity, but I'll just take them. It's fine.
I just realized the first zip that I uploaded didn't have the actual program in it, just all the helper stuff.
Whoops.
Fixed.
I think all that alert I got from hubs is just completely gone now. Anyway, I need to start watching my steps. I'm not too scared of trackers yet, but it could become an issue if I get caught off guard. I'm not the step master like Aomika is. I just realized I saw this nano vent on. And I could just have more armor. Okay, I have all the op chips I need. Technically. I could grab one more just to be safe, but I technically only need 3. Ejector. We're still sitting at 0%, okay, maybe not for too long. I was going to say 0% corruption. I will not get a corruption clear here, but... Damn it. So rebuilding is going to suck just a little bit more, but it's okay. And I could technically just sit here and build all the shit I need now, but I wonder if that's preferable, actually. Because in that case, I'd have all the stuff I need immediately, and I won't have to worry about fabbing it later, and it only costs me 3 extra slots.
I mean, it's not, I don't know what logs you got, but it seems like it's not every day that you've got all the fabs mapped and all the terminals mapped.
This is a DC. It gets me all machine intel.
Okay.
So the point is, I don't know what kind of spoilers you care about, but basically near the end, I need to know where a very specific machine is, because the final extended boss, if you don't break the machine, it triggers a possibly run-ending scenario. And because the Draindale cannon takes, like, I think 18 turns to fire, so like it fires and then there's like an 18-turn delay afterwards. If you miss the machine, you can kill the final boss in one shot with it. Basically, the cannon does like /kill. That's how it's programmed. It does so much damage that the intention of it was to not accidentally overflow into armor and just like not kill anything. So it just does /kill on whatever it hits. But the problem is, because of that delay, once you kill the boss and don't break the machine in the same turn, the run-ending thing triggers and will trigger before you can get another turn in. So having DC means I know where this machine is, and I can shoot the final boss at the same time, which is why. Yes, it has infinite range and infinite penetration.
Okay.
It literally fires across the map. I'm not even joking.
Does the normal L cannon also have this property?
Yes, they both. So basically, the only difference between the two is one takes 10,000 energy to fire, the other one doesn't. And I think the normal version fires twice the speed, so it's like 900 delay instead of 1800 delay or something.
Great.
Yeah, Crackle. Standard LC is faster. Yeah, fuck it. Let's just get everything here. I don't need hacking suites anymore, really. See if we can't get a Trojan prioritize. No? Okay, that's fine. Yeah, you do get a special dialogue with DLC. So if you actually kill the final boss with DLC, you get a special line of dialogue that is only for that instance. Which is pretty cool in my opinion. Which is the original reason why I decided to try this in the first place. Okay, welcome to the inventory crunch of the run. I'm probably never going to use this guided plasma, to be honest. Kind of garbo. Probably won't use the grenade launcher. Funny part is the other route has way more inventory crunch than this. This is actually pretty decent. I still need the power shieldings and I still need the weapon mount, but I mean this isn't anything like it would be if I was running anything else. Because like I would have like super battery, I'd have like a massive fuck ton of energy wells in my inventory, weapon mount. I have so many golem units, it's not even funny. Because the other route, if you don't find super battery in ZDC, you have to deal with thieves the entire time, and they will fucking steal your golem units. And you need biocell arrays for the final part to have enough energy. It is so fucking stressful. Thankfully, with the super battery route, you can just drop one and then just fire triple focals, and it kills thieves no matter what. But sometimes you just get unlucky and there's too many of them. They just steal all your shit. So this is why I wanted to try this route instead, because no thieves, you don't have to worry about super battery RNG, you don't have to worry about thief RNG, you don't have to carry around 1 billion energy wells in your inventory. I could probably realistically drop 2 of these right now to save on inventory space, but I'm going to keep them around just in case. I could realistically probably drop one of these treads to have more inventory. So yeah, I think this is a lot easier. I am getting extremely lucky though. Like extremely lucky right now. I'm getting the best map RNG. DC also gives you map intel. -5 extension's probably the high roll here. I also got -3 labs, which is amazing. I can skip testing. I don't have to worry about testing. Like I could do testing, it might give me like hype multi, null cannon. It could also give me experimental energy wells, which wouldn't really make a difference. I could also end up getting more proto hackware if I really needed it. Which it seems like you don't really need any more hackware than just getting the hackware from archives and then using hubs for your defensive hackware. If you get lucky with DM kill, you can get his proto hackware. I got Zerov a -4 instead of Warlord, so now I can go to Zerov. Might get some experimental power shielding, which would be amazing. I can get an extra AA, I can get the teleport, so now I can go to labs and get labs loot. So if I high roll in labs, it's GG pretty much. So I'm pretty excited. This run is shaping up really well so far. Holy fucking shit, Emmy.
I unmuted and then my partner immediately opened the DoorDash bag. Sorry.
It was that was very loud.
Sorry.
That's okay. Alright, we're gonna sit here and regen even with 1% corruption because I do not care.
So wait, so do we have master thieves or are you just talking about thieves?
I don't have thieves this run. I'm just talking about the alternative route to this has thieves, and that's why it's so stressful. Because you have to steal super battery. Breaks down the advanced energy. You fucker. It's a good thing I had multiples of those. I forgot they could do that. Okay, alloy armor's back. Don't need nano vents. I think I have plenty of energy now to get force fields. Next floor I'll have so much energy to use on force fields, it would be kind of silly. And then let's regen focals. Focals are going to kind of show their age here in a minute. If I get Calm Herf, I'll just swap to those instead. Oh, I could even probably use this long range proton cannon. Cool, I like it. We'll rebuild legs later, I think. Legs integrity's fine. The other downside to this build is that you're going to be running very low props, so if you're not used to running at like 240 speed the entire game, it could be a little difficult. It's just something you have to get used to. This force field's going to help a lot with keeping my build going. So yeah, I think I'm probably going to stop after Zerov. I know I said extension, but I think I got a little bit too hyped for my my map gen luck. So really the only thing I need is the power shielding and the weapon mount, which could be an issue depending on how research ends up panning out, but we might get lucky, who knows. You don't forget part schematics, right? Yeah, you don't. Okay. Power shielding weapon. Okay. Paranoid. I was selling ballsy, I could probably go look for CE as well, but it's not really necessary in this run. I've rooted it so that CE doesn't become a necessity. It'll just be something quality of life, because you'll have an extra utility slot. I still have my particle charger? I do not. Oh, you know what? That fucking surf might have munched it. That's okay. Whatever they're called. Decomposer. That's for earlier. A weapon cycler? Okay. Over the other armor? Weapon cycler will be a huge boon to focals, and if I can get a Q cap, I might be able to fit it. I could put it over energy well and weapon cycler. It'd be pretty cool. Also Luigi, about testing dump mind. I could test it real quick before I end the stream. I don't know what I need to do to start it up, but
you just gotta double click it.
Okay.
And did you ever set Luigi AI in your launch options?
I believe I did, yes.
So then yeah, you just gotta double click it.
I'm just gonna missile launch these guys. I'm gonna have to rip off my focals anyway for Zerov. Unless he's... Well, no, he can't not be there because he went there in archives. Signal interpreter? Does that matter? It might. So I still need to know where... I still need to know where armory is in -3, but... Probably just hack for it. I have a little bit of hackware and I have hubs. I still have plenty of armor integrity. I'm going to drop this medium armor, I think. Just for safety. I could also think about getting Infowar and Research, just to make getting through like S7 a little bit easier. Prop shielding. My other idea for like late game is to not walk into command with all of my hybrids on and instead just walk in with basic engines and grab matter drive and then just regen all of my energy with matter drive. I think that'd be okay. Because that way I don't have to worry about my power shielding in command and I don't have to worry about keeping my hybrids alive. Yes, half my build is asbestos right now. That is exactly right. I am breaking all the laws. This is a non-OSHA approved build. He's rough. One day we will make a nuke you, and it'll be funny. Alright, I have all the analyses already. I should have all these prototype ADs too, but... all the setting is non-OSHA compliant. Utility shielding, come on game. Alright, well. Can't get all the high rolls, I guess. Alright, what do we got? Can't get all the high rolls. Don't even need to worry about heat. I mean, maybe, if I start running something that's not just vocals. Where do I drop here? Probably these treads. I don't need this many treads. Telly. And I don't need this hackware because I have hubs. I guess util shielding could be useful for keeping some of my stuff alive, but golem unit exists, so well, I know it's only 30 coverage. I guess that'd be cool. That could be cool for keeping my hackware and my golem unit alive a little bit longer. So that's not too bad. Transmission jammer I might end up using later on. I don't know. I'll have to think about this stuff. Just kind of sit on it a little bit, because yeah, I know it's really early in the evening, but again, I didn't really feel like streaming all day, so got a good 6 hours in at least, 5 hours. So definitely next time I'll finish this up. It's gonna be great. I'm really excited, and I'll test Luigi's thing real quick before I stop too. So let me just stop the recording for now, and we'll pick this back up later.